na bababazia odo so mimu na just odo so mu aboa amanema daditi ya woda bia ene beba ya woda anwumre no 10 pm kokosi 12 am sa prepare na hye no esieteti ebebo modi ahase on the 7th September 2023 na che bosumi ya babe ram no na ohwema ne de tosonso asada no eye ya woda ene yebo modi no odo so mimu no etimi ahase na aboa amanema dadi pere amantiru amuna ehun komo ne sere won totu eni sitie no ye ni ne kama pen fama Lucas Travel Consult maka timera choza mpa ejuma mobono ano eden papa zene obozo ko baby te Canada, USA, baby net say UK, France, Greece, and Africa, Germany, and Netherlands, baby to Australia. Nei Lucas Travel Consult doko akwa kromo mo de no de man ye Dennis obetimi akwa kusua de timi scholarship e de ma eno etunu betimi akwa kobo ejuma opeso kokotran na esu niska kra order form number no na frɛ na mo hye bibia ase aye bibia wi a visa na ba no na wakɔ akwa kutwa usika no nti number no ne 0534 543210 0534 543210 opomo atema Gulf City omo bo ejuma se ne passport na bebe certificate na pe bank statement ni no be na ya boa na unsa kebi o maso ya na afia Ghana omo penko Freddy so ni omo bo ejuma se ne we marketing manager, we sales personnel, receptionist and afia administrator, and now your shop attendant, house help and accountant o de Ramo Lucas Travel Consult o me juma mo bono e demu fu amenko mrena biti me kakra me manaba ye Ramona afia mano ne nkobo ato aso kama pedi amao Luther King
International Abu Dhabi
Luther King
Abu Dhabi.
Can I say no me time now why care fameko.
Me da sena brana sense na no pay be breaking it down. Na ya touching it down. Na ya knocking it down ya nyada jeje mu yom power man nsemu. Eso da ma yan chance na say free Budapest ho and na World Athletics Championship no etimi eba na we na so far ano pay me de major event no me pa chonse ma odu asisi nyina me de be down o. Brasia we dru me ngwam e medal table no baby on my be uram no 49 event etimi to dwa no baby obiadi ye medals obianya ye say any city opema so far United States of America omna medal table no omudasro omunya total of 29 medals omunya gold no 12 omunya silver 8 omunya bronze 9 okopemo Canada omu eda second position omunya medals in 6 omunya gold no 4 omunya silver 2 omunya bronze back kra opemo Spain omu toss me ensa medals Spain nya 5 omunya gold no 4 omunya silver 1 omu enya bronze back kra uko Jamaica omu etoss 4 omu total medals na 12 omunya gold no 3 omunya silver 5 omunya bronze 4 uko Kenya Africa representatives no omu ND kan omu etoss num owiase so far omu total medals Kenya enya na 10 omunya gold 3 omunya silver 3 and omunya bronze 4 uko Ethiopia omu toss 6 omunya medals 9 omunya gold 2 omunya silver 4 omunya bronze 3 uko pemo Great Britain omu toss 7 omu medals nya na 10 omunya gold 2 omunya silver 4 and omunya bronze 3 and omunya bronze 5 and omunya gold 2 no omunya silver no eso 3 and e de Netherlands toss 1 omu medals nya na 5 omunya gold 2 omunya silver 1 and omunya bronze 2 oko nowhere omu toss 9 na sankuno no omu medals nya na 4 omunya gold 2 omunya silver 1 and omunya bronze 1 and a Sweden toss 2 omunya medals 3 omunya gold 2 omunya silver 1 omunya bronze so far top 10 no and amede amana bra Uganda so enya medals 2 omunya gold 2 omunya silver omunya bronze and no ededawa ye jeja modama mo ene e odwumadie no so ensempi da pamaso me be jeja modama nya World Athletics Championship to dwa enura no anase bana wi enura no say ne city ababa wa baako a ye finish Shirley and Fraser Price no so far ono e wo more medals esin obi a wo check so far ba medal e wo Athletics Championship what menya wanya medals e makomako essay e makomako 16 and an inside atmaka na 60 medals onya no o breaking it down o Fraser Price say any city 100 meters no wanya 6 medals and what you 200 meters or 2 medals and a 4x400 or 8 medals so far we can a wall let's championship Baso Budapest no no so far or record but world championship our athleticism nessa mamia your friend Shelley and Fraser Price and no more medals nani papa coupe and no medals and money no o kabo ma Essen Fraser Price and where and your bar your friend Alison Felix on the American Yabawa Waritai no tumrikadom on your total of 20 medals and no editor me jam adama monfa the best dancer monfa into so the dancing queen monfa into so ababa wana o free Uganda baman 800 meters o team ewuni no na bra all barbarian pa and ababa wa your friend Mary Mora esu etim ewuni ye na owuni no ani Janet already no wadi kia promise esu no be wini twa o join on Sompa TV and that's for women's 800 meters fana na owie ya no me patch or the asani be ginam ging or the asani bepa am a bear kama and you are babo free Uganda ne did Mary Mora or no and so far where the queen dancer let's say bia and I said the dancer queen na bia so kwe eso edamano na odi first no asano no de gira mama bia eso eye kama and you the best celebration team PMO our world athletics championship to Budapest no and no edeba mi jamo eso edama na yem PMO America almost sprinter a banter or 100 meters gold medal about 200 meters on one side of Africa they didn't know what Laos na be ka banter no and no din sebia to ga afa America NBA players in NBA teams no waka bibia from ho was say enkwafo no sorry no mu America so mu mrane was say no NBA fan no otimi twa bi na obeji NBA trophy no adesen waba sa Larry O'Brien no obija bon se no waba was one world champion na die ntia from world champion yentie somebody to ya
world champion of what? World champion of what? The United States? You know, the thing that hurts me the most is that I have to watch the NBA finals and they have world champion on their head. World champion of what? The United States? Don't get me wrong. I love the U.S. at times, but that ain't the world.
And no and summer a brand seven Noah Laos what the two channel and now confirm some Cassadiaba and no Ramo America NBA players no or Masha Samo Eman Moye a quatra some Cassadiaba young Ramo Kevin Durant na Kevin Durant Abaman Moye which Moya Kevin Durant and the buyer was it somebody help this brother and you are Kevin Durant responser whatever Noah Laos as a some to ja so pemo America obiji NBA no to sanu mrane me world champion now so domestically and a mom compete mo when one question on wo maba wo hwe country Saudi Arabia onom tutumrika no kwani nyame no match che o mo atwitwa o ma ne 100 meters ono na champion waji gold medal about 200 meters ono na ase age ba de keka ma waje na wo be keka sa o wie ya ne enko Brent Bagan Aaron Gordon so at me abba at the Mwaya Bana Aaron Gordon at their water buy no and den papa on so abba kabi and dono was whatever I'm smoking body in the 200 whatever I'm smoking body in the 200 and when somebody to your watch no and I will call Damian Lillard on so the den or the TF and what the emojis me no as will be tinisu so was what their baba to all Nina Mwaya or Muti Emma ɛna abrantia ye friend Noah Lals ɛno ensema efro ba ye jejamo ɛso de mamu na no pai ɛwɔ dwumade no so mayemram ɛwɔ abrantia Alexander Usyk ɛna me de tuanim ɛsa boxing bout etimi todwa one the British boy ye friend Daniel Dubois ɛba no yenes wa retaining no ɛyɛ world titles no ɛno ɛopema next wetmaje unified IBO WBO WBA any IBF heavyweight titles no wa retain we no so obi and na kuyente nipa na was opesone ne kono.
Tyson Fury would have been watching this fight. Do you have a message for him, and are you going to fight him next?
Tyson Fury, мабуть, дивився цей поєдинок. Чи є в тебе для нього меседж? І чи збираєшся ти з ним битися?
Якщо він хоче, я хочу.
If he wants it, I want it.
Etia what's a Tyson Fury pepadia on so ready omrano ni mi no emfa enyanta mu na bibia enya fine enu ansam ode to dwam de mama jenwa upem FIBA basketball world cup 2023 eguswa etodwa upem eso e Philippines Japan in Indonesia ho ena ekoso nura games bitimi todwa upem resource in Italy and Dominican Republic in Asia Benin Dominican Republic twa Italy 87-82 Pema Philippines, as Angola, Benin Angola, Philippines 80-70, Okopem and Group A, Oko Group D, and Okopema, Nesena Group D, Nokoye, and Montenegro, Ultra Egypt 89-74, and watching Okopema, Nesobeva Lithuania, Etra Mexico 96-66, and watching Okopema Group E, and results Toja, FIBA Basketball World Cup 2023, no, Seneca Australia, Atoma Germany, Etraomo 85-82, and watch Japan, as we etra Finland 98-88, and watch you Kopema, it's a Finland Doma film, and no idea to Pema Group H, Lebanon, as we any Canada, Benin Canada, Lebanon 88-73, and no idea to 128 against 73, and the resource Toga, and France, as what now, and Latvia, Bama Latvia, and France a film, and my Latvia, etra France 88-86. I may say France, or mu etme from Latvia, or mu Germany papa, or mu celebrate here, adia, ba FIBA World Cup, a gusel toja, or much France, as why you want to my film, and no ed debaucha, or mu elegion Latvia place, no, and or mu celebration, no, a gusel el coso, or mu ed Germany, no, and no ed del toja, and will FIBA Basketball World Cup, a gusel el toja, no, and my judge when Opema games about toja, as we near 8 a.m. China and South Sudan at the Pimso about 12 noon. And I said Puerto Rico and the Serbia Besha and your Group B, Uko Group F, Venezuela, Cape Verde, Asia, Georgia, Slovenia, and we're 11:30 a.m. and what you call Group C, and I said New Zealand and Jordan in Paul, South Sudan, Pima Greece, and the United States of America, Asia, no Ivory Coast, L Group G, about 9:45 from the Iran, Asia, now about 1:30, Brazil and Spain, as for the Pimso, and no idea by a jejamo, as for the Mamunano pay out Madi so, Mamin Tinsimo football, Naminia Drum San about Formula 1, so if Sanua, Dutch Grand Prix, no, to the Babe and Wajuma Jamamo, Nemu Rom Hurricane, Ubakaya, or Bergmas say, at my Bamunchen, now so far Bamunchen, or home game of Bundesliga, Nano Santenra, or my boy against Osberg, you know, Hurricane Esher 2 goals, now the first home gamer, Hurricane at Mabono, what in Zambia to go Bundesliga, no, Yentens Modi Tuga.
Hi guys, just got back from my first Bundesliga home game. Great game today to obviously score 2 goals in front of you fans was a special feeling. So yeah, feeling good. You know, lots of improvements still to come, but to start the season with 2 wins is obviously.
I don't know, was in the first Bundesliga game. Home Allianz Arena was 2 goals in front of the fans. Or some performance, you know, a bit more transfer beer. As so I come so far, we about 2 Bundesliga games, we about 3 goals, and we Hurricane, you know, now Pemo Bamunchina, and no we know Munya, you know, or more about the first 8 teamer, or more Bundesliga, or more 4,000 points, and no, and a Daswa, ye Jamu at Damano, that and what you Pemo Bamunchina. Or money abre esa Scott McTominay or Bodman Manchester United or mu penny loan edinaba am a plan so show interest esa onya team even bamunchina or bakwa kubo adwuma eso edi ama wo mo eno edi down akọ Benjamin Pava and we resume team training one team now and training still bamunchin team nya man green light esa on join in Milan and tino no na training na good news and free Zabna structure eba and someone no know ya and only team now since last year afen one group nyina boma omu training and now try one goalkeeper ma signing for fra and then presentation team course wa you have Daniel Perez and then on in training I'm a biaso ya kama and no edge dawa ye jeje mo damamo e wo dwumadi no so ye gusu team konwa so breaking no down touch no down jeje mo yompo na wura ye ntwe AC Milan o ma branta ye Feritio Hernandez and no one shall last goal at my AC Milan game on boy against Torino na threat ni go ni to mo no threat na ball boy no reaction mintimi sa ball boy no Milan na ebo se go no she no eye no nwanwa ana se masa ni nwadwiri no ana se eye ne ya better di no twa ball boy no and de nsagu ni ti masa ni nwadwiri ni papa no ede ba ye jamo na Max Allegri Juventus gamer and no mo boy no after the game wanye post match interview one central fan komo ye rama de tie and so pan no our local room and chatem and was screaming what team and good players and so mo gumani ma say 3 points for man sanka and am for dimatem me yezuku masa menya de and am crofo card mo pedi kire me and we dey tell Paul Pogba as we betu dwa was say I'm very happy to be back on the pitch and no obamu second half 66 minutes and what team bamo ebe board mo so ye happy as at the end of the day what team baka over board mo and no edge down and a crucial day Edma Lukaku nyina say Roma and Lukaku deal no and never we say nyina say Roma Chelsea accept 5 million euros loan fee from Roma ho akase Lukaku ebe jetum so beko anase onko nem de meta salary reduction ebe tuma koso nyina nkoma na o se tim todwa eno edeba na former Italy omunese team boss ya Roberto Mancini 2 weeks ago and o dead man to us Azuris one team no madwuma biem and pay officially Saudi Arabia a team the appointment na mano as a 2-year deal o my adwuma Saudi Arabia omunese team boss e ma bianya kama eno edeba me kom Mohamed Kudus ma been trying to dress in abra na pema owura we sporting director and as a technical director I be fan from Ayas Edinburgh no opanyina ye fan team starting owura no e buy a watch channel no and be bad dem kama £100,000 a week and Mohamed Kudus ebeje every 7 days be no £100,000 a week akoda na nyesika and you want say hejane ma me ne brothers no etimi pa bi be gina na chi e man unveiling in the presentation no etimi course just number 14 a 5-year deal +1 and wo mutama no and no ede do ye jamo na mi kopie mo panyina ye friend Kalonora o kopie mo Saudi Arabian Professional League ma wano and head of operations was accident ka Ronaldo msunkumalewa ye bisan sa day was in crime Ronaldo transfer no ba Saudi Arabia no a boy contributor about broadcasting to 140 countries and watch no bomb revenue Ronaldo ba Saudi no revenue increase by 650% and you some rano and that to jam now can YouTube and the content creator your friend speed no or run so or kokwaja award or kwaja no and no a streaming award as the best variety streamer or kwen yenta assembly on tuja Ronaldo still no or the tuja.
I want to give a huge shout out to everybody, Ronaldo, and thank y'all.
Eno Ronaldo ne fan kasiapa eso eno no eno eje da ye jam na Manchester City omoni abre eso pemo abranta ye friend Matheus Nunes say dem say eno anumre City atimi eje improved offer akọ ebe 60 million euros the American say omo ya jatum ama player na ba be dwuma eso eje ama wo mo eno eje dawa ye jejam eje ama mo e wo dwuma die so ensem pini ade ba na Manchester United eso ani abre eso mro mo Barcelona Barcelona kɔhwɛ ɛsɛm Kos Alonso omonsa ebetuma kana omoso interest om 32-year-old left back na ombetumi da be PM ama bia ye kama eno ejeta na PM Al Ittihad omse so mo anya mo sala ombewura mo Abrante Joe Felix akɔhwɛ ɛso ombetumi na ba ma bibia ɛso aye kama eno ejeta na wura mo Kamavinga woni Jude Bellingham ekowura mu ɛwɔ France na no Friday na Madrid bomb game omwian weekend way omukopia ɛwɔ south of France eno omkoma bibia ye kama eno ejeta yemwura mo Formula 1 na yemfanwie wura mo Formula 1 a dead Grand Prix no ɛso etimi baso na wotwa wie abra enso totoye na enso no chino 72 laps no etimi to adwa wo ACM circuit bana wie no na se Max Verstappen na se team Red Bull ono ena etima wina ma bia kama ogura from Fernando Alonso ɛso timi na second position or represent team Aston Martin ema bia kama no ogura from Max Verstappen se no kwani nyame anime watima you call record bia na do Sebastian Vettel etimi as the all time no about Formula 1 and 9 consecutive wins na watima nya no se Max Verstappen etimi you call am bia ɛso etimi aye kama eno dawa ya de emam edwumadi no so nyina so na nsama odo eboabo no yemfansire mo me sorry ma me mfa me dwumadi ne happy birthday enkoma biankasa me ba ye friend Luther Kwaku Buache aka Luther King Jr. and Junior edin birthday me ankasa me ba me ka chire no me ne o ma me a ye friend Dictative Corporal Grace ansa wo sen we sister ye friend Geraldine Pokuya Caroline Pokuya ne abusua ni nyina wo na Beatrice Pokuya mu nyina ye say Radin Shawko School e Divine Mercy International School wo nursery 2 abrodun kwa Junior Nyakopon sharp anti Luther King happy birthday.
Hey, you ever buy credits where you get up to 20% of your money back before? Make I tell you about Vodafone's demo promo. See, anytime you recharge a demo, you get up to 20%, whether it be short code or your Vodafone cash wallet, or you don't use credit transfer to your number or someone else. And now you be high tech, so you don't use my Vodafone app or any payment app. However you do, Vodafone will send you up to 20% cash back into your Vodafone cash account. But then you enter, top up your airtime with 5 Ghana cedi or more in Vodafone's demo promotion and receive 20% of your money back straight into your Vodafone cash wallet. Recharge and cash out in the Vodafone demo promotion.
Vodafone, further together.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Bigger Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Bigger Odds this season, and you can walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrady office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you ranks to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Esikafo krom wo de ya na nansi edidi hu nkomo yi en wakofa abrofu free abrochira ba besin in terms of sa no Akwa master Abraham 52 estate construction and I said dan kama sa no. E ka no so nya hu bia o. 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan. Some because o ka champa. Company ni din and e friend 52 estate construction. Oh I see. What on sase and ya dan amanso ni ho. And wo si adan so ton. Wo san manage properties. Na kire se wo pedan ato, wo pa sase ato. Ana se wo pedwumakuo bia amenesi modern houses amwa nya bia ato a. Mo na unim wo fie kura wo si etimo no. Se ne bra twam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a. That is a design in your fabie mu a. Mo nyese bi mo buda no nyina guo. Ba se no besia ye dan no modern wan hwe a wan ka sa wo du fie no. Wo hura wo hunu. Wow. Na wonu mo himfa 52 estate construction. E wo Kiseman, Gimpa Achimata Road. Fra 0556 72 33 38. And the Kumasenso page 4 and 12 Road. Over fra 0531 52 57 97. Social media nyina so at 52 estates.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasam ketua. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de pa ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gameparkgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power.
All right, here more than yetimi and Kobe Kwano birthday special tetepa na member Michael Asari Bodwa na on fire and Chelsea na yehwe kakra sana Bishop Mwaba ababa betwa so timu mama birthday special na kwa happy birthday nkwen fama Raul ni also that happy birthday Roman Farmer Ontino yesu ye fashion designer ko agona ni KHOB and Eric Sapon see Romo kama pa entimi Farmer so Raul happy birthday Romo emfa emana fi Teflon ba SK inisu ye wawoda bro nyami sha papa na omwa na nyamande da ye kama pa entimi emfa na bibi ande da ni fama na tweneboa kodia so no ni ne da orwani chema agona bodomasia hona oberezi ezia wo Dubai enti Eric Sapon wagana na esienko entimi enfama na yamisha papa enako etimi akoye odano ebizu ramu fama Vera Miss Vera enisu also da so Vera happy birthday enko entimi enfama obapa na yamisha papa na bibibia so no end the year entimi enfama na ebi so no enramu kama pa entimi enfama penpa ye friend amoafo Kent dudona nefro more line na yesu ye teacher ni wo Akema Prade Presbyterian Basic School Chumasi Caleb CM kama pentimi emfa emauna Moline nyame Asia papa na bibia ended this from Famana Bernard Obin Niama enesu ye Niama sono na oda so Bernard Obin Niama happy birthday Eramu intimi emfa mo penkeze na nyame Asia papa yezi ne wodunkwa wonso no hona abon adwuma na doctor Kwesi Bodum and also doc nso no na oda doc 23 Herbal Clinic oro ni chimo nkokwa na ze Kwame Danso si Ramu intimi fama doc so doc happy birthday nko intimi fama na bibia da dina Luta Kwekubuache ege Luta King Junior na mia make up pa na ba no di Luther King Jr. ni na be pen pa na ya misha bibri uko Divine Mercy International School or Nezu2 na is abroad kwa di ne Madam Grace na wa papa Luther King e bia no be na ye ne kama pedi amana fi mame ama sikapa happy bedi nkwenfa mama me ama sikapa or tech na eni one kasa unia bema kwabra kesi ewo kwada so soldier line ono na esi ramu entimi enfama zo mame happy birthday nko entimi enfama na ebi so no ram fama Mr. Louis Henry Mensa and so nana Kwame sentence or whole lotteries o se nko entimi enfama ono ana operation manager de ma whole lotteries so pe ngeze nyame ensha papa na bibia enko ye kama so no entimi enfama na niam so entimi endeda ye pa enfama ntie sa prepe ni sie tie mame nko Miki aba na ye ramu ne hwensem ne kakra na de ode beba no pe no ye didi ho nkoma na bibia ndeda ni migiza bibia aboko de me ho ye ba behwe wayi na mame why he na ye ho ayi mame na menya wi ntonka na yanko anim izi ade me tonka so weekend is on
yep nyame adom na
family mu kakra
yamba to the screens na yamba etiefo ni ahwefo akwa famra back from a weekend the mechanism it was a weekend full of comebacks na bimu dey complete yenya Liverpool complete comeback against Newcastle, complete comeback from Manchester United against Nottingham Forest, comeback na BDF so have no. That is the case of Arsenal against Fulham after taking a 2-1 lead after coming back from 1 goal down. Almost also a draw game na kweye tipenko. And now you failed comebacks so it was not just a story of that similar nature in England, but also Italy, also Spain, in your BBC then a weekend of a loud mouth. And that is the story of Noah Laos. Laos by Budapest. Eba be Blazy the trail obe seti obe twa sabi to wa na similar to the same boat ba be winning the 100 meters and the 200 meters in one event. Now oba be jiwie no ne kasa yemu na no akwa yi neka. So on the for the benefit of omo mantie the interview bra omo Luther Ebono omo me entie bi on your babaka will delve into it and explain.
Of what? The United States? You know, the thing that hurts me the most is that I have to watch the NBA finals and they have world champion on their head. World champion of what? The United States? Don't get me wrong. I love the U.S. at times. But that ain't the world. That is not the world. We are the world. We have almost every country out here fighting, thriving, putting on their flag to show that they are represented. There ain't no flags in the NBA.
Well, no allows us a more cano. Mechiche was simply in trio patches. NBA no or no started social NBA finals. So bones are describing as a world championship series. And yet fact because NBA no America why no more bono. So we need the NBA championship, but you are not a world champion. Or none of them no be compete no. Countries are who do our best athletes no ma ba obi abe showcase the war. And it's a wooden kunimo that stage now we need gold medal now. And yet to me Eddie SSC abokas a world champion. But one, your can non fa. The NBA finals is no longer known as the world championship. Sunday no mujai crab before say ebe no allows. Into every NBA final be no allows waheno. It is start as the NBA finals near the year na count. Yes, into the okana non fa.
Only on the afternoon one
or no started or share NBA finals. Or people boy no allows. I don't see when you're 24 years. I don't know, and maybe 1993, 94, 95, 96, oh baby. Or the checking in year of birth, mommy. The NBA finals no ye jai friend no a World Series in 1986. We no a baby belonging to after 1990s. In the time I ever be walk around, near NBA finals no world championship. And there is a reason why I know more friends are because sporty biani or the pioneers.
Yeah, 97.
97.
So 26 years.
And the jai NBA finals no say your friend or world championship series be no. 11 years of crowns and your baby war. So which NBA finals no share ya? Yeah, they are two almost say the world championship series. So falsehood. And I'm say non fano. 2. There was a reason why this sad Dino at two NBA finals and so sports beyond a pioneer. The basketball now a pioneer that as originated the professional era from America. Omono my the trailblazers and the maker hip hop once them. Na a nyum to a hip hop me say oh America for na den nyum to ne buy hip hop ne buy. So I can refer to them as the best in the world. It doesn't necessarily mean that we are seeing no hip hop. But what it means is that they were the pioneers. Omono the pace setters, omono mucha sane the toho, and they be almost way. It is similar to the NBA. Basketball as it is now. It is where it is because of America or basketball. And in fact, but they say said the best international team worldwide, American basketball team. No? The best international team, football, any other sport, America basketball team. Olympic Games, I'm about 19 times, 16 times, I'm winning gold medals. I'm about 19 and 16 appearances, 16 times, I'm winning gold medals. 19 times in winning medal. Wow. So Laos has no canon. He's venturing into a very, very deep end. And while he will just sink with on one news, you know. And that is why Obi said Kevin Durant back said, somebody help this brother. Because your two can say, and the easy money sniper, no, that is Kevin Durant's Instagram account. Book, Devin Booker. Honestly, DNA, he's very disgusted at the comments. No, Leland cried, your Babes Rain or the TF or said TF the F. Nah, Aaron Gordon. As well as whatever, I'm smoking body in the 200 meters. Or no, best as well to the 200 meters race to cry the account. And then Jones, or no body, I say, yeah, this ain't it. No, so the way by no say. Juan on Juan. And also about the Golden State Warriors. So last time I checked, the NBA was the best competition in the world, and it's undisputed. Then UD40, Udonis Haslem, or nobody Miami Heat, and they are coaching staff. You know, also a big fan of Noah Lyles, but he's going to with that Bush, Suckers. So clearly, they are all peeved at the comment of Noah Lyles, and it's a comment born out of ignorance and arrogance. And a true champion, so we a true champion now, you don't belittle other champions. And this is you'll be so answer. If you do that to reign, then your kingdom is basically useless. And that is what Noah Lyles tried to do. He decided to trash talk the NBA just to project him. And no true leader, no true winner. And yes, I know. True winners encourage each other. True winners, no. Or more be respecting a young. So you will never hear Novak Djokovic or because Messi the Bono or easy in Messi you be winning. You will never hear Messi or Ronaldo come to belittle another winner or a champion from another sport. Noah Lyles is just showing that stat. He's truly not the champion people perceive us to be. And it's true. We never heard this from Usain Bolt. Yes. Yeah, two way being free Usain Bolt. Now when Rich Yaba be winning 100 meters, 200 meters, and no competition anymore. The Obabeke can I think he should go back, work on himself, and know how to talk the next time. Abu, young things football him and the story of Ferran Torres, and also can come back to American home. Ferran Torres, a player in the last year. I had mostly Yadrin co players and so. You buy as old your Bonnie Rini, especially all the Usika to Swa. You are expecting say Ubenya Usika to match by hook or crook. You care less about what the player feels before, during, and even after the game. In the last year, Upe player mentally was a papa. He is one of them. Wabepa. Exactly. From June 2022, Adeba, more than a year, he suffered consistent abuse from fans of Barcelona and fans of Spain. DNTR, born now was so to me, but no to me money, sir. He had issues. So what he did was to contact his friend, Elias Tupuria. Tupuria bought UFC Nibi. So the best advice to Tupuria, he should have a strong mentality. Because we are saying the other you fall. When you fall, the ability to bounce back dwells mostly with your psyche. Into prepare Wadrena. And the Buama to me revive. And this boy took it in good faith. Last season, injuries kakra hano. And even at the World Cup, now the one day didn't attempt say, coach Evans Luis Enrique elden the World Cup no. It was because only Luis Enrique banning the date. And
I do not then call World Cup.
Exactly. It is a last one, sir. And true, they date. There is Ferran Torres and there is the daughter of Luis Enrique. And to do one dinner terms of World Cup no Kobe Crano, he didn't merit it. But this season, before Sebesha say pre-season, no, the boy decided to do something to help his career. Similar to what Raheem Sterling did. And also transforming no. One, Okofa, a physiotherapist, and also a psychologist to work on his brain or his mind and then work on his body. And we cannot attest to the fact that Ferran Torres has improved. And in the games I have been so far for Barcelona this season, in less than 50 minutes, he has contributed 2 goals. And we have to find a way to come back. And when you come back, things will work for you. Lamine Yamal, the star of the show, Barcelona started Bonabaso, and truly he deserves it. And they say starting a match, ne maame no ye friend no eye Sheila Bender of Equatorial Guinea. Ne papa enso enie eye Mune Nazraoui onusu free Morocco. Ana we so ye wonu Spain. Enti boy we no otimi bo ma Equatorial Guinea. Otimi bo ma Morocco. Otimi bo enso edema eye Spain. Now what does this mean? It means that at a very young age, Afeina Riasno shining the spotlight on his talent. He deserves it. But there needs to be caution. Caution in the sense that he's not a finished product yet. Now, Barca rely on Lamine Yamal because it tells of their precarious state. When Messi was coming up, Messi had a Ronaldinho to learn from. And by the time Messi is ready to take you over, no about Barca and 3 seasons. And Barca should take a cue from the AC Pain. We saw the story of Bojan Kerkic, Christian Teo, Isaac Cuenca, Ibrahim Afellay. All the kids, almost said these are brilliant kids and ones to watch for the future. No, Barca never realized their potential. The most recent case, Ansu Fati. So if you are dependent on a 16-year-old to hype as the star man of the show, it means our team may be our form. But I'm not in any way disputing the immense talent our boy in the world. But he needs to be guarded more well. And was also protecting and then tone down on the hype. They should tone down on the hype. When no born on Drew Baby, they should tone down on the hype. Ansu Fati gave us more glorious moment than the Lamine Yamal against Villarreal. But Ekosi saying there is a lot for a youngster to learn. He's shown bright prospect. It is just that. 20%. Oh, just brief. Sorry. Or we declare hunger strike. Or say on the day. Wakwasha sorry them normal locking no. Intine maame ne we ne auntie. Or makwasha sorry them or bomb pie say Jenny Hermoso amban be ye anu anka no kure wo mu a on the dida. Ne maame no. Yes. And then no kure bi won bia no bomb pie che Nyankopon say o ma no kure so be dedi. FIFA has banned him provisionally for 90 days. And that is a story coming from
Mate, Ocha Bana Wababi Ramu say Timira Mama. Now Vodafone Semen Cultures, a Vodafone card special bundles on the Abomo de Yaba. Now a amazing news here Amo Bibiati star 110 hash in a 5 Ghana CD Yama 200 minutes. Abomo Modern 8 in Koma a all network now for 7 good days. I'm not doing your papa dear Vodafone to ya or Modia Ramon Tino use Vodafone star 110 hash what talk credit na 5 CD what Ramona free the special bundles on the my Vodafone fed together. Na nyama kuyi kama so itimera mama kaze royal for mattress and ne that's why you Philippa ebo amane mada ye pre timera me na sonde de emusu edin machi me ya me konye me am ye wi no royal for mattress ne baba baz ne to etimi etwa na yusu so a ebeche ye pa ne bo no so for the star no of form product in be abomode etimi ema sunye pa ema fa adwempa bo abrabo pa ma ne ma dadi pa etimi era ma tisunye ne ye de chow ti omo product bi abeto bi no no e kan bi omo boy Jumapanti, a mobile modern 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award, no, and here the 20th anniversary of Votum for say to the second Yamamu Good Award. And yeah, nonko, a Mozambo modern the 12th Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award, no, yes, I'm presenting special award at Royal Foam Mattress and a Royal Foam Rest Assured. For Manamano, Ghana Babiobia, Nyama Bina Sono, Nyabina Daso, Nasonde Depa, 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 ya bwa na ma dadie da ma bishop na bibia aboko de
ya bibia dadin asembia nya mai
me ze ne ro benya abonyom na ma me na Newcastle for adimi hwa mo papa
ade
11 emu dawoze na ma me
ya ni mbomo
why
born in
dabi
sa Newcastle for na asa
omo na modern
na ya de we are be krani hey mova grace nyum ne ma no mova grace nyum ne ma no mova
me now. Why? Oh, mammy, I put all pay.
Before saying, and Kwana Yanajo,
and check my boy, your mamma, I put all out the mammy. And I want your beer, so I'm not Babes as I will go.
It's also that drip. It's also that drip. Actually,
oh, yeah. I'm also not you all. Now we know you all. Oh, okay. What tells it? But there be your family Robert from
Bibia the Assembly Nyamai. Now, Manchester City, for the second game running, they had to find a difficult way to win, and they actually did. Now here go Rodrigo, Eshena, now home can wumi pa. Now, in the absence of Kevin De Bruyne, in the absence of Ilkay Gundogan, Manchester City be here a clutch player. And season is in the AC corner, Ubetimiaka, say clutch player or Homo Musesiano, Rodrigo Cascante, Rodrigo, and the 90 million in our age, we are a sniper's finish.
I know it didn't pass.
Because in 9 idea, a dominant foot near the fact. But we are non just a one time, one ring who cry. And then he flashed the shot across, and then it was good. So, a boyhood Sheffield United fan. Kyle Walker, yes, I do because can I say Jeremy Bogle no go no share, you know. No Kyle Walker and a Koyama Honsem Basa, but Manchester City a title credentials and Rabium, underlining how important Rodrigo Cascante is to their aspirations of defending their title and winning the Premier League for the 4th consecutive year. Omone the only team are more 100% record.
Yes.
Premier League after 3 matches. Now it's interesting. Ubejedi says since Fulham any Arsenal started ball over 100 years now. Fulham Arsenal home da.
Home da.
And they were attempting to do that for the first time over the weekend. It ended up some Besha first goal. They needed João Palhinha's late goal to make things 1-1. Normally 1 point at the fee at media PM or a Fulham. Sometimes it's difficult, but football Nankasan Sene a bono. The woman and a eba. Bra. Enra match now Newcastle and Liverpool boy. It was quite a difficult game for everybody involved. But the major take home, same match, this is the 3rd game running now. Minty being here live. This is Mkobana Mabehebi.
Newcastle and Liverpool matches.
Now like make up Premier League season.
Oh, okay.
Liverpool games no. Niniano. Yanam BCH. Now Mihunyo maybe in all honesty I wasn't happy. Nearly kind Trent, the yellow card no DN. A fullback to play over 85 minutes with a yellow card. Fullback are all defensive frailties or Mreye in his defending. No sound of yellow card. You see, on fumble for 85 minutes and more. How would he cope? Now then the man did this yellow card no. A reckless refereeing moment by referee no D-ball. If you get a Trent video quickly, Kwaku, how is this not a foul?
Wow.
I mean, how? He will be a 4th of assistant referee Nijina.
Gordon, no.
Yeah. And Obi and Carry and Cheno. And I'm disappointed in Shobozola and Salah. Because right after this, you rush to him. Sir, but Bon Crafeni, I shall see you.
We don't know.
Oh, come on. referee no say any foul. Or Newcastle for ne kofa throw akoto. And then Trent ball into a yellow card, very good yellow. Because he stopped them from starting the game quickly.
Yes.
But look, how is this not a foul? Yeah, man, Kofuya for Mumwidi. I don't know why. But the Yaya Manabroso. It's about time people speak to them. Because some of the incompetence they show, it's unpardonable. Look, me know you're doing. Oka said Newcastle should have found a way to stop the game. Me know you're doing. Not least Miguel Amiron on 20.
Yes.
I mean, Gogo, how do you not score that? Sabon Allison ye double save. No?
Yeah.
Sama Casa Allison is the best goalkeeper. He's the standard in the league. He's the standard. So Obi the nine ball. The nine the passing. Unim passes you on Munina.
Yeah. Nine the passer.
Say goalkeeper.
Yeah, keeper the England on the nine pass.
Oh, pass ya assist me.
Only Nane.
No,
Nana's all passing ball.
But you don't stop this. Hey, yeah, we are Newcastle fan, now a player. Look at the quality of the strike.
Bishop.
Yes.
Ose Allison ball only passes.
Even a dancing no on in here. Now,
Nana crack count. Ederson on the Pribuna count.
Missy was assisting goals, we know, or pass.
I'm also assisting, but I just about the pass the Azim zone.
Oh, now pass going.
Bishop.
My bad, no, I feel no about. Mrs. Standard Nini. Say a chibon. Say a passing. This is the cheat code. On until Liverpool, when Chelsea similar thing. Omone Bournemouth no music says Semenyo will be a Boba Kubi Emani here. Look, he kept them in the game. But ya ma Meron, we any the above goal post. Me know ya dream. On any other day, 3-0.
Yes.
But football no, nye the womb and never. And yet they open now, the womb never. In all honesty, hey, Senior Meron our boy. He will see Rem. He did everything right, and he only met what Eddie Howe calls a very good goal. Another take home, I mean, free game, maybe here, you know, Newcastle United assistant manager Jason Tyndall. You say, Klopp complaining about me, say a red card, no, say Trent, you know, or catching his own fan in Santuan. Yeah, it was beautiful. And then Tyndall said, my friend, I want to Mukasadu. And I think maybe a game no consistently means a club no kick pause and fourth official no where engaged didn't come up. I think a training press conference not in Chemu by say trend and Okatan say it was a foul. They didn't see it on function. It happens, and then also got a final one. Okacha Jason Tyndall and so on on Canano into Kwaku Asempa and it's in in recent times. Only one team has shown so they can compete Manchester City for the Premier League. One team. So we beat contesting Manchester City or Premier League. One team has been able to do that.
Liverpool.
Oh no, come on. No, Masa, Liverpool Manchester City no. 90th minute no. And the Waji League no.
The others are there no
Masa. Let's Manchester City be Manchester United new league and social be na say. Mourinho see be in the Centurion year. But say toe to toe. Kwaku. We Burnley free wa. Team what about the most difficult games season we Liverpool.
We Burnley free wa. No correct.
You take Burnley away. Liverpool have played the most difficult games. So besides Liverpool, they call Chelsea, I call Newcastle. No more, but no more 4 points. Nkabeji.
Yes.
But there's nothing spectacular. And ya DB Bruce be out. Say Liverpool I call Newcastle, or I call Chelsea, or more 4 points. And ya DB Bruce be out. You find a standard performance.
Oh, okay.
Ningina say, no matter I know higher last season. Omusha in a saying. Until Liverpool was 7 points from Bournemouth, Chelsea, and Newcastle. And yeah, the one was will be last year. Draw with Chelsea. Share Bournemouth for fee. Share Newcastle without conceding. into Newcastle have even improved based on what happened last year. So if you are not careful, you might take it say, oh, Liverpool are very difficult places, but almost 7 points out of 9. No. Last season it was the same thing. Now, if they want to compete Manchester City again, they have to beef up their team with 2 players. Jamie Carragher has even started saying that, and I would want to listen to him again and further agree with what he said.
In Manchester City's biggest rivals for the last sort of 4 or 5 years. Arsenal come to the fore last season, but why can't Liverpool be that team again this season? And it was interesting, he mentioned the transfer window and then went on to something else. I don't really know what that means, but that squad right now that Liverpool have, I don't think is good enough to challenge Manchester City. But they've got to go for it this week in terms of bringing it, maybe I think another defender in for me and a midfield player. That has to happen because Liverpool can still be the biggest rivals to Manchester City. They've made a decent start, more than a decent start to the season, but when you've got someone like him, who I think is a world-class goalkeeper, maybe the best goalkeeper in the world, you've got Virgil van Dijk there and Mo Salah. These are players who are not coming to their end of the career, but they're in sort of that stage where you think if Liverpool are going into something big again, it probably has to happen in the next year or 2. So
again, you don't be carried away. So Omako Newcastle, Omako Chelsea, Omako Bournemouth, Omako 7 points. Say they've made a far more decent start, no, a standard, because last year Omako sa baby me no, Omako the 4 points nearby, Omako decent 6.
Yes.
Maybe Anna 5th and 6.
6.
I think Liverpool were 5th.
No, 5th.
Good. So no, they are on course for a 5th place finish. But the only change is that last year, you bought first 3 games, no more winning back. But this time around, they have 7 points. That's the only different shift. But those games in question, Bournemouth, Chelsea away, Newcastle away, Liverpool had 7 points. They must go into the market. Liverpool so come. You have match week 3. Liverpool first choice centre backs are available. Back with the red card. Back with Pra. I mean, how? If you want to win, if you want to compete with Guardiola, Nathan Ake, Ruben Dias, John Stones, get quality, go and spend money. And Liverpool must go into the market and get the midfield that they crave. Wataru Endo is not the league winning 6. Endo. Or a squad player. Of course. And I'll be Europa League. No, on your league, Nipa now person watching no. The 6, right? Hey, Rodri Bayern. Now the standard then for the 6 was Fabinho.
Yeah.
He has overtaken that. Okay.
The moment
No. You need to find somebody who would compete for you. When 30 something. Rodri at 26. Come on. You need Obi.
It is a midfielder now.
Oh, I mean, there are many in the market. You're not 200 million. I'm on for many, man.
200 million.
No, make an offer that will make somebody go crazy.
200 million.
I want you 110 Akope Caicedo. Trameni is better than Caicedo.
Now, about the day Trameni here, Bishop Bono, but if you have this,
look, person break here. Call and our low budget. No, I call Crystal Palace for Dukure. You need a 6, a proper 6 mirror. Yeah, the festival in Abbey.
Festival, maybe you're a mechanic,
no problem.
Why, memory in Tinona, my apostle Mamma Crane, more commodity, the apostle na in your with your chana, Oba, now can in Abu Mamma. Now, Odima Rumnia, her said in City. T. Ma, Nico, I was there, Quaba.
Oh, but you
also Fabio, now I'm deep and come in Canberra.
Misha say free CAF Champions League. It's interesting, sir. Unfortunately, Ali Benghazi, Enyimba Ephraim, that is sad. For a team that have won back-to-back Champions League 2003, 2004 against Ismaili of Egypt, and it was Porto du Sahel. Very powerful team. But Ali Benghazi, Enyimba Ephraim, that is Accra, Omukuntokwa, Muho matches Santon Bono, Tunisia. That shows you, yes, they are coming up, but Enyimba a powerhouse, twice champion powerhouse. Once again, an investment into Enyimba Kofem after Dr. Kaloji decided to be movie from the Abia State Governor, Akoye Senator. No, I saw on the Nema Enyimba. He made Enyimba great. And today, if you don't have the caliber of quality they had in 203, 204 now, Vincent Enyimba require 5 players. What does it? If you don't have him, definitely that's a big blow. But you can have his type around. But the investment going to Enyimba is really not the best. And Enyimba that now they are struggling to even retain where just preliminary first way. That's a disgrace. A club like Enyimba. And me sure that the former BS State governor will not be happy with what, because he has achieved the back-to-back with them. Before they go Enyimba Capre. I mean, he really made, and unfortunately, I don't know, Ali Benghazi are coming up doing very well. Now, Osha Cotton Sport Garua, so somewhere free, my name, Osha Champions League boy this year. On performance, they had no point. I mean, they were in a group with Ali, Mamelodi Sundowns, and then Hilal. In that group, but anya 1 point credit for him. And it's good that a team that is non-performing like that, and yes, I'm repeating over group stage, it's good that they're out. Now we have clubs coming up. UD Songo from Mozambique. But unfortunately, Beshia Pedro Atletico, that will be a big problem for them to qualify. Pedro Atletico qualify above that. It's good to see AS FAR coming back. AS FAR, a powerhouse. In fact, the first Moroccan team to win a CAF Champions League, AS FAR, in 85 against Belima. And then their best performance since then, they've been very poor. Since then, our best performance was against Wanyao National in 1988 when they lost to Wanyao by 4-3. And then Wanyao also called to Etienne Sportif Setif. That's Etienne Sportif Sportif of Algeria first CAF Champions League on winning. And I'm winning Mogorokan Botola League. Time I'm winning 85 now. Raja had not won. Raja won 89. So 89, 97, 99. And then WAC 92, 2017, and then last year. So clearly, Osha and Penny 4, but Oman Bomubre, Yafin almost on back. And they are very strong side. Watch out for them. But I can't wait to watch Omo game against Sport to the Sahel game. No? That will be firecracker. And top North African derby, Tunisia, Algeria. Tunisia, Morocco, sorry, derby. It's going to be very interesting. Now, Primero de Agosto are back. Primero de Agosto is Vita Club. Vita Club this season, that's a former champion in 74, strong side. But this year in a group, they're in a group with the Athletic Club of Morocco, GS Kabila of Algeria, and then Petro de Atletico de Luanda of Angola. But Primero de Agosto, a very strong side. Our best performance was in 2018 when TB Mazembe, a good team that plays away very, very well. The only Angolan side about where they are very good. The only Angolan side was ASAV. Against Azafogo.
Yes.
Yeah. But Primero de Agosto is a very good side. They do very well. And the only team Mazembe, the one Lumumbashi, and we near qualify from. Then they met Esperance de Tunis. Courtesy referee Janis Sikazu of Zambia. Nanya Airport. 2 goals were disallowed in that game. Not goals and clean goals. But a part of the game. And then they lost to Esperance and Esperance got G Cup in the finals against Ali. So it's good that Omo Babak. Now it's also good that we have Joanen Galaxy. Joanen Galaxy is a Botswana team.
Yeah.
Yes, and 2021 they were in the group stage. Omo Kotida they are back. They were in the group stage with Etos Producer, Esperance and Sia Belouizdad. And so they are back again in the competition. But a bad thing for them to qualify. Osha, Akazifone Nina Finomoyomiti. Because this is the last phase. Who qualify from here, you go to the group stage. And then I was if you ever come Medium is hosting Horoya Akasifonobia. Because the last phase of the competition. It's good that we are having Power Dynamos. Yes, this time around, Enyen Kana, Enyen Sesko. It's not Zanako, we have Power Dynamos. It means that Akasifono more air confirm. And then a year for competition because let's go. Then Power down by to me impact. No. But at least at the end of the day, the most important thing is that the nation is having opportunity where other clubs also are topping up. Say your Ghana Media Mabo Winley hasn't got a bomb brain, and just the league should not continue. So it's good for them, but they are meeting Simba. So that will be their end. That will be full stop. But remember, I have time to remember pairings, no, and then the dynamics of the pairing, any Obama qualify. I can tell you that about 10 teams have already qualified. to the next stage.
Already teams in Duko.
Oh yeah, they have qualified.
Yeah,
we will do that, but it's a lot of work that must be done. But enye dimpa. Dimpa. Reason is that they don't score more than 2 goals at home, and you're 1-2. Only a bad away performance.
Oh, okay.
So there's so Wona finally. Yeah, maybe I'm about half first. Fantastic. So untimi we timi ye no na ne fie no watch one making tawe dia any problem. So there's almost very consistent side, very one is in a while every year bad come you come, but on performance away papa. And then at home they only are very strong, but at home they draw, they win narrowly 2-1, 1-0. Omonye club, omonye vintage, home more dominate to our ball. No. So there's so media was chance to go to the group stage of the competition, send to your back on a strategy into the game. They will be able to qualify to the competition. But Yanyamba, and also so for me, I think the Ali Bengals are there. They've done a great job. And Yanyamba, even though I'm away, but they've been able to get them out. And so we are looking at a very wonderful Libyan side in the competition. This year. Now, Mamin call into boxing. Now, over the weekend, a WBA mandatory bout. Of course, what Ryzyski, Wrocław Stadium, Poland. Now, between Usyk Alexander, IBF, WBA, WBO, any IBO heavyweight champion. Now, mandatory no a WBA no Tatabako and Daniel Dubois, the Dynamite contested against him. Now, bout no shots here, no clearly. Before then, we said, Mami acknowledge the finest in terms of ring announcing Michael Buffer. Even his old age cry, you could see said the element of Michael Buffer, the moment flying by to come and do ring announcement. And my Michael Buffer, when he was introducing the boxers, was all man, minimum things are tight, things are gone, but he's still struggling to really showcase the class and quality he has. Now beyond that, going forward, Michael Buffer indicated said Zundi Zelensky, the president of Ukraine, Bekasa. So the president of Ukraine really spoke and gave a message. It was Ukraine almost 24th of August, Ukraine. Almost National Independence Day.
Yes.
So, or is it also an opportunity to be a man for Russia for the way for and the so he did that. Now to the main bout. This particular bout, now under normal circumstances, bout for Alexander Usyk for what he has done with AJ 1-2 and your bout mano. And you expect said this bout, he should go with it with chickies. First 4 rounds he was good. First round dominated Bardo. You saw him, he was just controlled about good job, distance, footwork, left, right, upstairs, downstairs, controlling about, dominating, good precision. Then the moment came round 5. So Varas, pause this. I don't have time to go back. So this, I need this. Just no. My uncle to baby, Elandi, just hold on there. I want to. There's a lot of education that must go on there. I not my car good. First of all, this way and your low blow.
We know
nobody should lie to you. It's not.
Are they?
Mrano say illegal strike or a punch. A puncher Elandi below the belt. Below the belt. Below the belt, include below the waist, but below the waist. There is on.
Yes.
It's not below. It's on. And a right and legal punch.
A legal punch.
A right and legal punch. What is here? Now, I see your boxing several times. I saw boxing several times. And the referee, Louis Pabon. Now, so this Zab Judah, where is Zab Judah Mayweather? Zab Judah Mayweather. Now, Mumba play the act this round 10, the enemy's war. That was how it was tagged. Now, when you see and say Zab Judah, a ball, your friend saying, from Mayweather, below. What do you say? A ball below him, below the waist, you know. And now Emma Mayweather in his groin, or started so holding the groin. Now don't mind the crowd. Like I said, I don't have enough time. We Papa you or ni Uncle Roger. I won't talk about what Chira so they say I won't talk about this bout later. I'll do something on this bout. It's a family, it's a street thing about. But Andrew Golota read the ball. I make sure why boxing. No, that is not it. There is a Mekan. So watch this. Where a Mekan Zab Judah. Now round 5, good. This is not a low blow. It's not. Shall I be all hit here and watch it again? It's not a low blow. Fantastic. Hold it there. Hold it there. It's not a low blow. Niente low blow. That is above the waist, not below the waist. But Zab Judah lost the first 4 rounds, losing the 5th round. Or Sheda, the same way you see here. No? The rule says, Basana, except boxer, he have 5 minutes to recover. What Usyk was doing, Usyk had lost the bout in round 5. What he was doing was to buy time with a corrupt referee. And no recover, no bar back. But he didn't. He could have lost the bout there. Because in Tokwani Mantunes or two, or also fat to no Ekuntokanobi. 1 year time I'm prepared, and he underestimated Daniel Dubois because that the boss in Yadi. And you're gaining momentum and started fighting strong. What I'm saying, Dubois 6 and 7 rounds, Dubois Bamu strongly.
Yes.
Because once I said, and the 8th now started regaining back the confidence and control and rhythm, and or knocking when now rocking take a knock around 9. So this Dubois was robbed. Mikado Debi has a boxing and 1-punch spot. This fantastic. It's not below. It can never be. Yes. Matthew Cancel, please don't forget about those things. People don't understand. Listen, way above the waist, on the belt is legal.
Yeah.
But typical boxing robbery, and of course, no. Yes, a robbery. They rob. Yes. Referee is part of it. Referees, they are always part of the coalition. Referees, yeah, we are on there, but on this day, he had him.
Mate, Yababa Fiena Yababin Common, Mamma men Conco Kudin Common 52 Estate Construction Limited. More Aswe Kakrana, Yeresenema, is here Tiana Nedio, more de Mayano, Yenramu Kakra, na M1 Bibia, Entimi, and the Dinia, the Gramo Mombre, na Yaguenim. Nani amande da DT train 52 Estate Construction Limited na yakona yakwa kudin koma krana abwana hyehyena da dimpe timi ede ama kama na bibia enso etimi akoye na niam so na etimi adadin timi hwe na mawram na me ne open kese no abomode etimi ato aso na niam adeda ye pe etimi ede ama oban na bibia moko de
yankopo adom bibia ye fine
amate fa ewura me 52 is it there adwuma de na mu di no ene hyehyena na mode abase ye ba 50%.
Yeah.
Na ipia win kaka na wasama Miss Smith na ye ni komo sima du na me na mo mra.
Okay, yamma tiefo nyina ache na yemfa mra 52 Estate Construction. Adwuma mu de ye bokọ na ase me ankasa na mapomode no hye dansi so. Enti ye bo wa fama na tiefo e de ache weda na de aye ne de sana e wo se eba. Na 52 said the dada ye gusu a ye bo ho de ro de kire tiefo no na weekend menenam tenten fidie no so na me ko hu sofo bia wagidin pa wokrum a manfo nim no but me mboni din na nkasa yemu no se de osi kire no se he me wuni masase a me woda brono we so wuni makono ko busa wuni masase amato na me hu se ya kan se ya bi mu ba mu adwen se ase oba da bia kan kaseti asofo azo kase da bi o men kaseti asofo ba asofo no mayete ase se ya nhihye adamu de wo soro eho na nkankan ne dote bo ntimi we na ne asofo de wo de nsase ne fie bibire ne cars bibire wo de ye dey
ohunya
so mon kama ye nsore ma na ye hu nti ase se da bi na no papa bi betra ha kan asem bi o se abrabo na wo bo no bo wabrabo se 100 years ena Yesu beba
sa pepepe
na mum suro onyankopon se within 2 seconds obeba very deep mudu pa yes enti abrabo na wo bɔ no ka hu sɛ yɛse yesu ba da bia meka otumfo ɔte kokɔ so na himfi omusisi wo de how many years ni mbudo bi nka nkyerɛ me so wontimi calculate a wo de ha sakora ba how many years ni chief imam kora wo how many years kekasa ne mani nyina bom na fa tu hofo sa wo ye wa adwen se o na wiase besai na yesu ba na wiase besa na yesu ba wonyere wo ho mpesika mfa ma 52 estate me to asase mpefie ensi na wo de saa kakran saa na babo akokora na so ha obi dan de menua mesrewo ebe ya areho na ebe ha adwene eno nti da bia dwoada anopa yedwale betena ha na ye bo ho dawuro nkakra na yasa ya gobuo ma go niema mu dia ma tiefo se de be ya at least wanya kra no de half plot no so wa hoɔden pa na ka se wu si da ya betimi asi abrosan kan se de to aso 2
betimi
ground floor first floor and second floor wo betimi asi e de asi so kama na te wadiem wo de wuni ska kra no wo de asi a single room self contained wo de ho kakra kitchen kakra washroom shem and bedroom si wadie na de ono yero no ma monhyem adiem kakra wo obi ani asem e kom de okura wo bi ehu se kom de ena nya ofre na wo bebre na so no ma okwa han dan me makazai na me pedan han if you re bi ka kire me say obi wo ho no mu a ono no pe ba bi a ope enkwala e wo fie ho obi wo ho so a ompe enkwala wo fie ho na madam fu bi na ekọ han dan na if you re ano busa ansa ne maye sei ase ne maye 3 o se debi me po bi a oni ba na me dia dan na ma no
opobi oniba no
oniba o de nine na man
e o kwa bizi question
because enkwala ha adwene
yes
obeba no na o de crayon o de marker o de twreda no ho den ho no osua de ebi kura na efie we kura pack ne ka boko na enkwala na twere ho ensempi enti enei no akakra be di wonsem no wo de bra support no 30,000 be 15,000 yema 20 bags of cement na sha asema de aka no 15,000 yen spreading farm wo de at least 30,000 no kra no wo de wuntimi ntofu plot na wo de to half na si wade en kakran na sisa ayira no manyina na fo wade ko hye wade m se wankasa wo tu fie ye single room kra na no ma no wo ne hukunu e no ma no wade na mo hye mu a wo no bia ni problem opie na akoba wa be hye wade m din enu nti ye go so bodawuro e kire tiefo se ne ya kakra ba wonsem no bomoden e fato asase fato Ghana ha de asase ya de hu ye pa o ye mpanyimfo na kan me ya tie se obi wukura na ye busa ne fie ye musa ne ka
no kre
busa ne fie enye ne ka ne busa enei okọ anano me faama ne bi lift ote me bia metementem honom a ne papa wo se ne ma meje asase tete o Roman Hill ena afi no mabu agu no mo san AC sese skabutwo bibri Roman Hill sikabutwo because ne o mka se store no ko de ba ko e ma renter 5 years a whole you can say you rent no 1.5 5 years utikwa 1.2 1 billion for 5 years and imagine enti asase de mesrew obi wo hodmo wo skada ho ohun no diska na ye e na ode koye business we mesrew fa beton sase fa gu ho fa ton sase ekromu anipa dodo no an o madiye na ska wo mu nsem pa na wotu o mu di akase na dodo na eye estate dodo no aye sase no mototo ani fie wo hono ma wotodo de ama han obi wo hono ma oto na eda ho years to come no obo nsa no waton ebo no be kosoro no osade different business enti mesremi nuanom ne titiru enkokorafo ne mpanyimfo no de dodo na no moko yei mabunu na ya ba no na da bia mekasi so yei mabunu na ne ya ye wa hoden no aye de ye adwuma ye kɔ ye ba ye nyaska na da bia mekan le to ha prototo ye nsam ene ye demo siesie kuntan tv akese na ye to da bia mekan nei abrofo no he omani ate omokɔ omanim serious pao ene da bia mekan ene cars na ye ba no omobobo no enye sa abobo ne tudi hyem no ye led
yes
cars na ye ba ne led as time goes on mbese Sunday fufuro aba beka ho as time goes on almost sano sa na bo no so gusu a na ekosoro enti wo ya branch no ati so a mesrew sa niema no tete so ma ne mrafom so timi tete so e ma saa ne mani nyina timi bafom ye e de mawo na nnei Nyankopon ye wadom na wutimi esi one room bi wunya oprot bi wutimi si ufie bi si so a he ka bi apese wuto bia efie no se do pese o si decorate ne bia se o pese o si sisi wudem bia no you have the chance so betimi asiesie because e wan kasa wufie e na wote wadim enti na wutie me na wo pe plot ato wo plot wo ho ma wo po obi amanato wo pe efie etimi ato say a 2 bedroom, say a 3 bedroom, a fear be a war pato, or pass as a dakwa who they filling station. O pebi e de si abrosa pebi de si hostel. Wo ye businessman wo kroma o pass as a mansun bia ni so. Wo ya nkra wo ye boja otone man ketekete wotima bobo ska no kakra na pass as de ato a. Mesra wo fa bra 52 estate construction e wo duase. And to akwantempo so wa page 4. A honoma ne wo o de bedan ne be mo asase a manso bia eni so we no to nchen a o pe mason ni amna kwaye wadwuma o pe carpenter ni o pe electrician o pe tiler chese bi bia fa edansie ho o pe painter bi bia fa dansie plumbers bi bia fa dansie ho sedan no e free asase ne tomu ekwa di kodu ne sie ne se obe penti aye ne hu bibia boso nyina no 52 esiti na so de bedai ye numbers no eye mienu ene didi djuma kumase ene enkran ye number no eye 0556
72 33 38
0556 72 33 38 and now 0531 52 57 97 0531 52 57 97 and no a numbers are 52 estate didi juma o na yaso ye e bia wo pesa o ye renovation o fie o pesa bia ye tutu pono ne mpoma ne ade aye dada o pesa be sisi wo de ma wo e bia wo de no kra no form no gu ho wa totals o pesa ye totals de ma wa ba be wa ni nyina to the amount first no na ye tarazu ne wo so gugu tarazu ho o pesa ye wa be totals kama de ma wa ni nyina no ye ni nyina ho adwuma kama o dan no en social reset to nyina no o dan enwunu o pesa ye be paso ne ye boso kama de ma wa ni nyina 52 estate ye di ho adwuma kama o pesa ye penti wo fie nyina kama de ma wa 52 estate ena wo sa wo de bedan ye no mu bo no e wo fom ye pesa obia ho to no obia nya asase obia nya fie na nasom etimi edwo no entimi so rakoyi freyen bibia meka ya wanti ase anase nkomo bia pesa oni ye di no wo de freyen benya ntobo ase ne wadi nkomo 0556 72 33 38 and now 0531 52 57 97 and ye number so freyen wo ya branch wo ji so de bubu prema ya toto kasa kese dade dem no mesrew fatasase
abarimate ye ban say shiawai and you do your 52 estate construction limited you could in come then you bape ya TSC ma fisem no e to aso amamo.
Hey, you ever buy credits where you get up to 20% of your money back before? Make I tell you about Vodafone's demo promo. See, anytime you recharge a demo, you get up to 20%, whether it be short code or your Vodafone cash wallet, or you don't use credit transfer to your number or someone else. And now you be high tech, so you don't use my Vodafone app or any payment app. However you do, Vodafone go send you up to 20% cash back into your Vodafone cash account. Who reload here? But then you enter, top up your airtime with 5 Ghana cedi or more in Vodafone's demo promo. And receive 20% of your money back straight into your Vodafone cash wallet. Recharge and cash out in the Vodafone demo promotion.
Vodafone, further together.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Avieta Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap in Jackpot. Do it. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Selbetu kwai akusua de ewa manone enda from kra top tier amana ye fo achechefo a ye de oboye adwuma no etutu kwai esua de ewa manone emfi bebre ye betimi aboawo amwa bo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate ewa US UK Australia any amama iso bebre ye ye nhwehwe ma won ma won person won short sat IELTS ena to fail so person utu kwai akusua de ewa manone dia empa top tier kumase ye wo amakom Bank of Africa and Temuho. Fred 0260-411-847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagen Plaza Building, no, and a Bonrenimu, Medina Polyclinic. Your number, 020-3592-008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service, and Chenghua. If you Kwanta Road no so, you bang Fijai School Park. Your number is 059-800-7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. O how bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no nso beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa pa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What nane relaxation aye de awuto so a wunya wo mu ne se Royal Foam mattress aye papa eche yie aye quilted mattress inti woda so a ama wona ye foam se woto mattress free Royal Foam a teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots Ewa Ghana fananyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
What's so dumb? Ama, afei na wo hwehwe do.
Oh, medofo pa. Ntawantawa bi wo ne udofo ntemu ana.
Oh, odo somemo.
Odo somemo.
Oh, Jai.
Sonim se medopa.
Oh.
Jumedie ibawa kwemu yawada na jubia. Efri nundu dikosi dumienu. Ewo Sompa 93.1 FM.
Kaise eye odo somemo.
Metro would like to movie. Yeah.
Akradia for fry your friend of Big 4 free game pack games no Eddie. Where ya akradia ne tuni ni die nya den kra. The number ahodwa and 930 kosi 9 impressa de biara na beka yen kunum difu ane ho. Wo betu mi atuwo abefun kratwabia www.gamepackgames.com ana wo bebo star 946 hash. Wo phone so na wo dia man akradia adwumeko eneli apene game pack games akradia iso. Wonni mfia du nwati a wontimento akradia yi fa nyansa to akradia. Big 4 from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
All right, yeah, Momo de na yetimi to aso na mo 21st clinic se meka emfa encho so mo no ejuma mo bone ne mo ye ne damushun ko ni na so mo ye expert in sciatica ye mame ye papa mo a eni mo bo modin atransia ye ejuma odwomo no wonzo transia bo zendu bebi na to asinti no etwetwe de ramo she chu bebi na ba eba be ramo na chu bebi wan re ya debi no o baba bebu meka za izoro na akọ eba ansa na bi aso abusuan so nti anhwe yi a na abusuan na eba bebo na wa hyase enya san sunsuan so ni bia na sa haw ni bia bia ba ko pɛ no so ko ne yehwe na yetimi so ano edema 21st clinic komo ebu ejuma papa kofo fi amano ne ba eba bejo my eyes and two Ghana and tentem na I was ko na yehwe ne ebo na ne ma da ye pa etimi edema nya no nko yezi ne stroke na edunya diabetes no ena afinya wa hodo na fruity ba besi na ase no ye bebo na so anya eyes akwa ya hwe wa wie na bidro nkuto na ye de account side effect bia eni ma Jesus okwa omo laba ye brani adosoro so bibi a ye ne share na scan service no enso koso Friday bia wa ye adwuma wie no to form asio ko na massage no ye ma bi ya miemia wa ma bibi bia deda no obonze moja ni die fusana no ye be sand machine treatment so no etimi aka wona aboa na wagina wona so pa etimi aye adwuma mo bo adwuma ntino more than 15 branches Ghana bibi ano omo ye adwuma pa kuma so pomo ahwe overseas junction omo benafa radio oboase council court escort junction be nyomo Accra Dome market be nyomo na afi sunyane nkranza ne techimo nyina omo bo adwuma frɛ na kan haw na ya wa hwe ya debi no na just one ton ya unya no adru number ni 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 na ruamuni ambwa na ne mandeda di Pemfama National Communication Authority NCAZ enka nyamfancho this time run yabwa etimi de digital audio broadcasting no na DAB no nya ba bazie wo Ghana ha na DAB na simple pa ni na ze ba ku radio kuma bisa no ne digital na fi audio de bebo ka mu ni okese a eno nso betimi ayisuru ofie ye this time run ye ko bibia akwa digital ntino obonze obo modern na obibi ti sa Accra na uyusu omu radio ni bia obo na ni 3.1 apa obonze na Sompa chance ebu adwuma e ma ate enka bo ama ne ma koyie pa na yesi afe na aba nti afe na omo bo modern na omo timi atry de ahwe na omo try no ye radio stations mako dun wotwe a ene Sompa ye kan obi ntino nkran eni kuma so na omo chance a omo bo modern di se adwuma die no ende enche bibia atotom na ne ma koyie pa de a obonze beba dwama so a obo modern na the digital audio broadcasting no DBA no so no saka bi na aboa manema ko yie pere amantinya fe na oba be fe na Sompa Musista station won krane ade a utwa tu ma pa bonze de dama eboa na ne ma dadi so no etimi edi ama kama na hyehyɛ no so no akoyie so no etimi era ma breath we semenka enfantros this time round the di dwuma no enso ye the golden booking code no simple when you do fe do watwa de ramu www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na senete ye so kope abonzi abomodin atwe baby 100% back krikeo okriko abonzi the golden booking code no eda on turo benya enke awura na otwe mu se ru code akona kokofa we chance from ya woda na edeko na matches na wo no omo na abomodin etimi area to de amantinyense se bia emfim utwa from 1 Ghana ekokosi 50 Ghana na ebodiwu ana wadi a usika na retwa e no yesande wade ma wudi so a ye bomodin na sika no on se etimi aka na tutu na koyie pa etimi era man restaurant no enhyehyɛ pa betwe for the aba ewrameda mom customers no na sɛ enhyehyɛ ni tie terms and conditions ya de a ɔmo apply ɔmo dwuma de a ɔmo di no unya nu fie du wɔtwe a emfa ho nhye mizanza agro no empemfo ne di edini ya ɛboa ma na ma da yie pa so edema Treaty of Arc Limited Company zebra na bra be ramo maso ye zene oye nurse ni oye doctor oye lab technician na midwife no akwenya ba se Canada UK ye roko ahyase no kwa okoko kusua de obesua de usua de na yo clinic ni nyina na otwe bi ebomode netimi etwi aka eboama na makoyie pa etimi edema no so echi no obezo raba bi tse Canada America ko ekokosua de akwenya ne dawo etimi edema na footballers no so no yeso opes force visa uramo Trinity of Arc Limited Company o maso ya simple cross on sabe kan se ne wonsa ne djuma bi zo e carpenter oye tyler oye driver oye farmer oye plumber na simple no oye teacher djuma bi a oye bia no o contact o ma yeru be rama no na wakọ akwakoto aso mpo no uni adwuma edo beko na ne no baby di Romania mortar and afi so kra no ili wakwa ko adwuma Ghana setena funtu bezo ko baby se Canada USA UK and Shingi state na a Treaty of Arc ne do ko form na ma no enkomo bia ne omundi 0531 644-217 0531 644-217 at 0531 633-556 0531 633-556 now 0205 572-076 0205 572-076 so pomo adwa to Masalachi omobena report junction wo Kumasi a Kaswa New Market Road no Fidelity Bank aban so no first floor nsa ebe kom wo Kaswa nti ramuni amwa na ne manko ye pemfa mama daroma ye ramuni nkoma akra ne mwa na ne mandeda ye pretimi fa manra ene official say Mohamed Kudu say ramo ekwa akogbo ejuma etimi rama West Ham United bo kono kwa no ye bizarre zo no ankasa chance yo bobo no ne teammate ben obeka so ye best teammate and afi o man Ghana ankasa no a owura mu so ogbo ejuma na etimi rama o man Ghana no wan pa no obeka so ye legend a we do hu say o ye ya nkomo say no obo modidi
best teammate from your whole time playing football?
Maldini Sulemana from Southampton. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Time favourite Ghanaian player?
That's a hard one. I have few. I think I have few that are all time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hansel, is he making the short?
Yeah.
Yanti ano ye komo bomo de etimere tu ja jeza pa best teammate on no ashasi aba huna ye kama din Suleiman bi da na Ghana no ba bi rama hwan pa no huni zo we de hello yo eno mo dosu na o konfo be ye ya na o mi da na oni za John Pinto na o ani ade after no ozan cheche mu zo ba be rama West Ham na bi da commodity cause between on the da you e John Pinto be o me former players o ma bo ejuma era ma team ne de no so say no de anu ye no ba.
You has been speaking highly of West Ham, but John Pinto is way older, so I didn't really get the chance to speak with him. But Andre is still in the national team, and he speaks a lot about his experiences in most clubs. And West Ham is one of the clubs that he highly, speak highly of.
Anti ano ye command your bomb de timere tuja odidi ani na bwa man ne makoye pa de ma muntunu amra and on bomb de unveiling ni Rama JC number 14 area man na unveiling na fe pa na mun komo na sele luta babi chi amo anopa no de pa ne awie ho babi no ha and a rapper ni di womb we outside na bonten na ba na cruise jina bo amane madadi there zenu an be run wakwa ko bejuma no the CAF Champions League oro ani chemo Nigeria Raymond Stars so mo ebo moden etimi share ba kwa media mentimi atiti after na was a penalties no e run a 3-2 na media ma abo moden edi enya no do na mo de come ni mebo mane madadi impede ma after the game na assistant coach your friend Steven Pius Gura ebo moden din koma akra on the qualification mo nya no say na pimpa your friend Pius ebo moden Timi Eddie Etuja.
Of the game, the tempo was high, both sides, Midiama, very strong side, and also Remo also trying to, catch us on the day. Did a lot of effort in order to, make sure they kill the game during the first department. But then we were also kind of tactical discipline in order to sit back and then wait for them and then also catch them on fast break. But at the end of the day, it was a nice game. It has been, I didn't have face. Now we're confident. We were very much confident, say, bet me, our bounce back win the game because we came in with two kinds of objectives. Either we don't allow them to get a goal here or we also tally our lead. That unfortunately for us, I think Omunya equalizer. By the time no Munya no so boy, am I to make keep the remaining duration? Am I to make a penalty? But then we were also prepared during the penalty shootout too. So we came in to win.
Anti ano ye koma akra ni pimpa your friend is Steven Pius Gura assistant coach edema media ma di tuja Mosisa Mapaka president edema team after so Munya qualification see and a pimpa so the name same rebel.
Nigeria. And today we say, same no was say media man. It me winning Ghana. When you say Ghana is number one in soccer in West Africa. We had the chances. Look at the dangerous chances, but na coping banana. But that's football. Football there. Sometimes a game. The other baby are no offer. And then we say your best player to take our thing. Unfortunately, that's how football is. That's why I'm telling football. Anything can happen, and it happened, and we have won. We thank God.
Anti ano ye command Mosisa Mapaka Muspaka Pomodi Timiere Tujati no Munya no do no run the second round omo any horoya erebeni omo no be ni ka tra Ghana abo na date we said home common is here 15th 17th September na ya hweme yibako return encounter no ebeko so Guinea no ebe 29th September koku run 1st October na ya hweme ni abomodi timi yibako eno ejomu ni anu Dreams FC also tra Ghana abo mienu Emma Milo FC Muba continue dreams abomodi nya no do no mo so no ewrama na free to on aggregate eboa na nema dadin pa etimi area amana mun come on after the game no come say and coach Abdul Karim Zito ebomodi dijai.
Before this game
I told you people that it won't be easy for me because the name alone may deceive you, Milo FC. So you might think you can just boil hot water and then finish them. Now you saw it yourself. I'm very happy for my boys. I'm very happy for the club. I'm very happy for myself because we work towards this victory and then we achieve it. Because I told you people that I went to Guinea with two objectives. That is either to win or to draw. And I had one of the two. So again here I said I need nothing but to qualify. I don't care about the goals. I just want to qualify. I know it was a hard way, but I'm very happy.
I know your command, you know, Abdul Karim Zito Bomodi Timere to after no Jonanchi, Edina winning goal, no, I was on a winning goal, no, see no Bomodi, Edin in the same room.
Not for me alone, it was for the team. And I think it has helped the team to go to the next stage. So, like from the beginning, I'm come to play my part to help the team with the experience, the little experience I have in Africa, because I've been to the Champions League final, I've been to the Confederation Cup final, so I know how the terrain is. So mine is just to come and help the team go forward, at least to the group stage, and this is what we are working on. And I know God willing we'll get there.
I know see a command John Anchi here, Bomodi to Yard near SPS for me a proper boy, Manama Kuye Pretty coach Eddie Milo FC Paper, your friend and Mama Duba Silla. After the game, was there a referee no and a yomo on one man common, seen Obama and command to Jar.
That we have to try our best, especially the CAF, to help us about the referees, because what they are doing, they cannot help us to develop the football in Africa. That is the problem. We are trying to prepare our season or to prepare 1 game, 2 games, but finally we lost the game on this way. It's not good at all.
Okay. I know you're come up on the care farm and so or some can wait to me at a farm after say they should, you know, a ram at the moment, no, then it's a ram.
To these games was not saying that they are good, you see, and also the referee assists them because that penalty was not a penalty. Everybody was seeing it, but I think the only thing I have to say is saying that Dream FC they doesn't deceive this qualification. I have a lot of players, it's not the one, but if you are playing, you have to play collectively. But that's why I know the guy who you are talking about is even not, he doesn't used to be inside the line.
I know you're come kakra ne opinpano e bomo de reject no Mama Duba Silla and also the name Rana or penalty no mamere time e buy no complain no mo ye no o we say ne man isi e koni de romo jezo mu ze refi na wi omo pa na wasi sure man na mo amboa amanto tena nda di amfa mo monti e no na uzampa na aeze ye we no no mo twe so wo ho a bi omo giri se ne man na de ye krentimi amfa mo club issues kakra na yenhwe na yenko anim oro wani chiemu okrobia komase asante krokwa nra obe poso mo bomodin a omo first match preseason shots yo mo bono 18 year course anano the first game no omo ne carry sports academy na dibo eni no end 1-1 Sergio Xeze enya go na de ma koto kono omo second game no omo che Cornerstones FC ebo mu num omo timu bako Kalu Atara enya 2 goals na Shadakado enya go ni bi na ne nkwada bi mu so aba trials no omo yo mo bomodin edi mienu kan we manema dadin per wana game ne ende ye no ye ramu didi nkomo kakra loro pokunti a legend wa bo adwuma rura bibia de amatim no after the match ne nkomo no say no dija
ade aya na supporters ebia omo mbeka se enye no omo nte ball na si omo expect say e ka se kotokwa gata cross se kotokwa fine we dispute that. But when football, what is football as here? The pre-season, a preparation towards something bigger. Now, so assemble new players and come over and over. Don't expect cohesion overnight. Kotokoko pre-season, first night, match 5, match 6. Yes, Akurano. One way before best start league, na complacency abem, so yeah good. One And you know, a gradual process, it will come.
Until no year come on a lot of the green theft about Monday to you until lot of Pokuntin on any or church and send shells in it on between you and opa New York chance over to Asosana Yamboa Wednesday. And a 10 o'clock here, Momone Park Academy. Eddie Abweni after Nombe Joe Mame Kakrana 3 p.m. Momone Asekem. Etimi Eddie Ababa Bebweni. Now Boamanema dead in Peramount after no normal friendly game on Moboni Kumase against Future Stars. No, a Sunday. Etiano ye de crop area to Yato folks on weekend. Echi Atram de Visa Bomekinsia, Momotimu Bako, Sedu Suraj, Kashala Ramos. Amazoni Azugu Bon Hopa, Obo 2 goals, Michel Sapon. And Afi Vance Adumakon. The no, never say Kashala Ramos there. Hey, or the way pan ever see the way who. Aye, we are. So that'd be quite from about for Polo Macan, African print, and about for the designs out on our wedding pa. Dine African print, polo shirt, African print, golf shirt, African print, round neck shirt, and African print V-neck shirt. Nemo more boutique, no, the name and comfort, the Ozorena, Okoku to be torn, Boamanama Kuyepa, Etimi Ede Emma on to Tiansono, Edda ye kama pay Timeramant. You know, qua package, you know, your good package are 20 shirts and all box more, your silver package are 15 shirts or box na bronze package 10 shirts and also no box more for good na or deliver the Ama Ghana baby free. Organizations and companies are outdoor now, so no, most more bankers no, teachers association, schools no, churches no, fan clubs no, someone any business also more tamakra, more the man will be designing ne kama pa etimi edi amamo no so no every year papa na ankonam te se so no yetimi tonkra Ghana ba bi obia obe deliver the amount na money is 0249 600-789 0249 600-789 0599 899 919 0599 899 919 Henema kokobiri wani achimo santasi oboase kwano so no oboana wetimi ajimina nema ada yesu etimi ede amount Trinity of Arc anasipo no mepacho we a top tier steady abroad consult no mazebra na bra be ramo maso yezene oye school ni na wawie school no peso ramo no mo na dura na top tier voze senate wawie high school obeso koto aso amanani akonya do de ma grace ni ye na ni bobo esan kra ni mirika kwa ye boatimi je scholarship ma bi e partial bi nsu yefu enye no nko zene no obeso ko na bachelor's degree na akwa masters no postgraduate diploma and certificate no doctorate degree programs in USA Canada UK Austria na fi New Zealand era ma me ahodo na so ye robeko simple wakoto adisuano so na aboa manema deda ye party miera ma no dwuma di omudi no start no ye boa ma high school student ne graduate ne twe etwa ne ye kama esan boa no mo so no ewramu ekokogbo adwuma na universities awodo no US ne Canada ewramu and afi so no nurses ne graduate na undergraduate student no ye boa ma IELTS ne TOEFL classes no eno so ne ma deda ye pede ma mo no kwa omo di wani ma che wade ne nkofo ni ne izanze de onche okra no enye ni mfie dun wo twenti no adaptation de enye den kra Ntupo mo Accra Madina Royal Circle or CCA Gun Plaza building no or Money Madina Polyclinic no any din 0203 592008 0203 592008 and afi Kumasi no Amakum traffic light or Mobile Bank of Africa 0260 411847 0260 411847 na takrade orwani chomo NK City Fire Service afian kwanta kwan no mo Benfija School Park no entita di number no see 0598 007852 0598 007852 niamwa nana mandeda di so enfamana ne drivers no ene mo amon patamu anyina muntie na hyehyia mpanyimfo de aba no nyina nse so am interchange no project no mo ye no enho adwuma no de tie ne yesi heavy duty trucks no zenne ufri so am runabout de ko akwako ramo fence no esese dwumadie ne sha ase na be mu be yusu tafo kwan no na ma driver fi Kwesi Pond Junction no Kwesi Pond Junction no e dia baba be ramo magazine breman na afi ma join offense road no e wo Brukutu Junction ho eno ne project no mo ye no hyehyɛ o mo de aba no to we ne ye for heavy duty trucks no eno no sa prepe ene sietie project ni nyina nse e so ame interchange no ene ne ma no mo ye onze ye wa ne uze kwan no Oma baba bezie ba mu ni ade eno edi kan ahyase enti yesi se dwumadie ne hyase a ahyase omuguso omo ye no utie ya penhwehwe omodi abani enti we heavy duty trucks no so am runabout ye de kwako rom offense no yezi de mu be yusu ne tafo kwan no na ma drive alpha kwesi upon junction eba be rom magazine na rom obreman na afi ma join offense road no e de afa brukutu junction won ti sa pepenete de santos miedu no yesi nei so no heavy duty trust no say no so no mu fi offense so de aba be rom so am runabout no eno so say ni siete mo body na abusua kruwa road no ma yusu no na ma drive efi abrepo no na jeze osu ame ho na mo so no mo de aba be romo and aviazi Matthias Junction Takwa Magazine Junction no esi ano so no yebetum na yabɔ modern 8 ya yejuma die be cruise no na ya yejuma ntia no no mbeboa na bebi akwan na no ma hyase yisu no na aboa ama na ma koyie pa and ave de high friend zebra crossing no eno so hwehwe o ma yenie omo so mbebo modern na timi aye no bebi a omo gidi se beboa enkonko ezi nipa no dodo na ebekwa akohia na ese traffic kakra etimi ache enti ombre na no so no ma ye na ne ma deda yie pa etimi edi amomo and ave so omo so ombre na omo abɔ modern etimi aye babi a ebekwa akwa eti se ye bus stop ne mo am yusu trotro no eno wa yusu car no se usu obi a obo mo de na wetimi akwakosi no na aboa na kwan no so nema dedam tin hihye we no mo de aba no interchange no mo ye no ho hihye ena no mo se ye nka mo obi ante de omo se omo po obi bia acho ze ne wo ebe kan ena afi so kra no wa de omo ye no ze akwakwa ese de ha obi abro no na wa bo mo de etimi de acho mo na aboa ama nema etimi adadi na ve omo se omo hwe etimi aye ntotoye bi a ebeboa na ofin so kwan no enkonko ese traffic beba so ntino de ombe yeni yesuru wani echema Kronom Junction hono eno nso no ombebo modern asa main road no eli enam office no Kronom Junction no yebe block sa road no eno ye temporary enkoko esa afebo animanimu ya ni dwumadi no omudi no ena ombo modern etimi ablock no na oma pebebi a mobefa ebebo ama na ma deda yeso no etimi ada mama na yese kode ede kokoko rom Kronom no onzo speed ram bi wo ho eno nso no ombehe no omabo modern animanimu ya no ye tutu ebi mu a ye men no enye edwuma sere be ye no nso no bebo na kwan mu beda ona cars no etimi akwa de abantie no ye nhyehyɛ a ene mpinfozi ye nka mo bia ante na emwa mane mande da ye pa entimi enfamantie no ne nhyehyɛ ni so am interchange no ya bɔ modern de rame didi de nkomo na aboa na bibia adadi bishop ye hwem kakre ansa na makɔ na makɔ akodi nkomo na meni apostle yokucha na mama ne mre akra na ya ye ya tini bebi a ofa
Mira medals PM say ate enyante say Ghana Football Association organizing integrity training programs for clubs no ahead of the season send a match fixing any on your man you better combat it. In fact it's the right thing to do na session no the amount say via Zoom. I mean Zoom app no ni use na penyin krona gina baby or one kind only place na any team baby or mobile no and penyin for na kasa. This is a more holistic approach to fighting the cancer. Then so penyin say wow also ukobrewu na so some pafinama na just say ne you get the point. Sir Ashanti Goal decision has a lot of ramifications for the development of our football going forward. Nobody can dispute that. Choir players no ekonya results are more per and the verdict from CAS no clearly shows yes. Ya na mo you to know no kasa lip service integrity report to this. You see integrity officer no crown proactive. Onyadi no be proactive. Let me know if Onyadi. He's somebody you are in central phone in Ankambum. Like you investigate in the background on how he got that appointment.
Sir.
Because no money be a cost will crew man time, Papa. And it's all corners went to man more year. I mean in criminal prosecution no as soon as in the TA, you must prove beyond every reasonable doubt. Send the panel bonena also why yentimi ankochirim sa nti hwɛ mu a na kyerɛ sɛ aha na yehia na yɛ at the frontier nka there are so many clubs or individuals Thomas Dua ɔsɛ ɔmfa ne sika ɔde bɛkɔ cars no ɛnkɔnkɔ no de bɛsi dan ɛwɔ kuroma sɛ Thomas Dua ɛkɔ cars a his situation would have been like the players.
Yes.
So what I say nti no more yɛ adeɛ na munya ne yie. I think nobody is against anybody and we don't even need to repeat that na mmom yɛ ne yie sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a woka asɛm a yɛbɛti ne yie. You get my point? I mean, it's football. Some of these club officials are corrupt. Some of the people at the FA are into betting. You know them. Of course they know them. Ket and Kaninia. We know them. They know them. Your fixers. obi o se me fix am fix am.
I don't know fix him.
They know omunim sani penia. So intini say ye dia ene na ye yi ehun ya yi ni ye. I've seen the Mediama and Dreams there in Yamini Dana say and 2 teams say they don't call you or qualify. Hopefully they make it to the next stage. They must say when a champion Mediama you hurry prima they are in the group stage.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good. Mediama you hurry prima they are in the group stage.
Yeah.
The closest we've gone to getting into that group stage, now Santa Kotoko that powerful. Because almost it told us how 2-0 Kroma. And I'm going to train or some match no some win here. Man come go group stage no. And no matter ball Confederations Cup no group stage against Zesco in Kana and Al Hilal no. Intino you born abaso. Omomra na maybe answer will be an enkoye na nye kama. My head dreams there no. They shouldn't have been in that position in the first place, but say oma okako consider and son of mabatiashe no. It's good. It shows a side that Omuni Africa experience, but they are enjoying the journey. Into player be out can be and enjoy the journey. Me who penalty call be na I'm saying na ma Milo Konko can for ne come. So it's then again I love what I say referee. No, this game is a corrupt sport. You get the point. And then dreams for Nedi Omon Fanko. Next time out in the DOMA, they can't even complain.
Yeah.
So how might say? Because clearly you could see the operation is not conform. Come on. And then it's good. Yeah, more Karim did to the mountain about so. Because no money be a
penalty nini.
No, but see a boy. Saying that ball, referee no.
I keep over here where you also acquainted.
Referee is in FIFA. Correct call. What call integrity calls are called primary.
All the pinball so be TC there. And so be TC.
No.
Simple crap. The crowd me who say it you.
Okay, now almost nya penalty be me say so
mo can be visa.
Mo sembanya no so amaya.
Elo ya hu.
Oh, fantastic.
Elo ya hu.
Fantastic.
Na ya hu. Ma me capito di komo.
Me das pa.
Ya hu eno. Ana hu eno.
Da bi ka fe na me ko pebi.
Na pebi na hwe na me ma hu eno. Capito na bia boko de.
Na me da ma chairman.
Ye Romo go.
Bibia kama. O bibia ko ya. Sanchetifo ani ahwefo amhwe ne anope. Edu satam say ana obia edin a wotie nsempa na ho no. Na we can me to kwan konkan. Na bu I didn't say Nepal problem, especially Africa, then Ghana, your problem. I mean, the Biamakachi was Abrabana Ebon, a Ubiani too, Abrabana Ebon, be individual, be a bonnet brow, and this type of bit taking nano. And I bet you the next 50 years, 100 years, the way our life on the bed, every amount. And 2% would DADR, as I would to quine, Edwin Nichim, being it Europe, and America, and Canada, now so to me Cobobra, no more sweating me, then acquire them on. Now they are at the woman, I was a catcher or say USA. Any Canada, ye penipa 20. Now they are air they say I not 20 year hojuma. Now opportunity asaba me nipa 17 beam. I de cat 20 no man 35. And they say UTM and anope a ya opportunity kase asamba down at their mom. Say ubeko USA 17 people ye hojuma within this week ya. Ana Canada so 17 people ye hojuma within this week ya. Already 20 ni ye hojuma every beam. And to way Canada any USA. Oyi eno everywhere. UK deɛ no opportunity ɛda so hɔ Turkey deɛ no ɛwɔ hɔ Poland ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna Denmark deɛ no so no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛno ɛyɛ work and pay and the madinka catch ama from Mati said I know you work and pay with the session of USA and Canada deɛ no because I know they are special and to buy no transit they are able to check no more akyerɛw oyɛ okay and sign negotiation as I said then koso na the way a man for to kwan chairman ano odin the way a man for to kwan no obia pese at least service be watching bi no obi ankase wan omo ne bra yie obia pese ochene bi no ye kase bi a asemesi abone bra yie enti obia pese otu kwan every Africa na Ghana en ni chem ewo Europe at least Europe dey say okona woni da form kakra bi dia at least obetimi ameke because our conditions na ho na our conditions no difference be bre ewom enti ukodu US na Canada Turkey Poland na Denmark na oma woni da form kakra bi a oso betimi ameke no abayi bibi ewo fie ama etimi aboa ma oman no etimi etompon entime no ekase no next for UK say opo partner bema na oba opportunity ɛwɔ hɔ onya nurse ni na opese ko UK opportunity ɛwɔ hɔ Denmark opportunity no ɛda so ɛwɔ hɔ yaka cho bia yedo ko bia on produce biscuits ɛhɔ ɛna yedo ko ɛwɔ Denmark enti still ano akonya ɛda so hɔ Turkey so no opportunity ɛda so hɔ ayɛ dia manfo ko oye teacher ni o oye hwan ye oye police ni oye doctor ni o obetumi akobi ama na yiye even farmers kwa no oye farmer kwa na obetumi akobi ama na yiye saa so na US de on medin ka aka cho so no yɛ dia manfo etu kwa bega jo se Ghana US no 2026 no so on your opportunity oba ko twen Ghana ho so Ghana timi an qualify ko already owa buku take dada akopiem ewo USA and Canada so no ye dey amanfo echo ebia obi tie opese osi Africa mu na numbers no any location say enete o de ni echiem ewo Kumasi a ye wa Francho OA Johnson na no ka say 24/7 ye adwuma on the last na we catch you say Saturday by say ni Saturday ye ba adwuma dopa na upon 2 p.m. and they say in Saturday no account. Is it Saturday account? Saturday na account. You better adwuma 8:30 near close to 2 p.m. Oh, okay. And Saturday obetumi akọ. Do akọ akọ adwuma. Eno eya Francho o e Junction no. And I would do any St. John's one kran so a ye adwuma so 24/7. And also no Monday, ekopim Friday, Saturday so no 8:30 a.m. ekopim 2 p.m. area and also ye adwuma ebia o temi na person taking number no na oji nchechemu am 0532 07 93 65 0532 07 93 65 and 0532 02 22 17 0532 02 22 17 na ade wo mo se abu se okoye office from Monday to Saturday na uwe ni pa amgu office na odi me say indeed ye adwuma de mu ye bi pa e de boa nipa se nipa betimi atumpo in life no on just scarce obutum na kromfo hu na onyi sika na it means a common no ba won ko scarce obutum na wunu akom de na ene ma an robbers adults sister no society no enti san krofo na sebi komo di omo extra no otumi ma no opportunity a ono so dachi me no ena mo so ma ono so bebo obi ama no mai den akoye dem enti wo kwa office na hu nipa ewo everyday bia na ano de no obi aso ba make sure say no ma ese no eye no enhihye no ye no ye enhihye no kama to obefiri wo no na odi adwumi fine ena echo say obetumi etu kwan na so be it untumi nkoso a enye force we yakwantu na yadi ko enti oba modality say won nya na be spend ni nya ache o check on say sikasem aye okay no betumi etu kwan na so be it office bia untumi nkoso a ye no nya den eni asem bia eno aye God's way travel consult obi how we ska but kwan oba fa so etu kwan no process na di man no obi so how we niska but opesu etu kwan eno ntina ye no oba ye de na ye consult aye be che kwan oba fa so a obeko kwa unya issues bia so na bicho no enti for ni echo mama nsamo numbers ni so biem numbers ni very very important 0532 07 93 65 and 0532 02 22 17 enti country 6 na ya available no open mu bia na oba USA Canada Turkey Poland Denmark and United Kingdom UK. These are the 6 countries are available. Ye wojuma. Ye ntimi ko country enya available se bia oba edu ko Germany, oba ba ne amfa ko Germany, ye du ko Australia, ye ntimi anya wojuma. As e kwa no ye be lose credibility. And the countries na if you say betimi aye wojuma no. Ana ye dey aba for now no. Enti wa wutie me no, ye fast e ko your office wo. Obekona your receptions no ho omo ye adwuma 24/7 na no ma say o present the mama no o de mama ya start bibia so etimi akon ka chairman
kabido mate meda bi ko game park limited zebra na krade mono no mo de aba no mu edepa ni answer from 0 to 9 o predict say 4 numbers ne bebo etimi edi afimunti simple kra ni answer ne so mobile phone a obo modern na wetimi eramu omo app no eye game park games app no Play Store wa bo modern na wetimi a download di announce obeko on site or www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com and I'm put on opese simple ma phone via kita network via use no obeda star 946# star 946# odape obonze beba wa bomodin akolaki for pe straight na straight no ene so operate is a 1 2 3 4 eno na beba ze bam sa mawa wenye ska bibrizan so mo also no e ya de wo so ye papa de yanze wenye dum fie dum wotwe qualify say game park games no oro be run wa twedi omo no peso onye skenti obo modern a omo draw no ye twi ne premier sa anopa na 9 o'clock am ewia na 12 pm na nwumre no enso ye 6 pm ene la jo mantumtu no hwe manso ni na se dwumade na omo di ne yade a ano edempa nature medics yenka emfancho so omo di nupa na ba no na anya bibo a eboa na ma hode na se nete ye dimpa heba mixture dimpa heba mixture no maria na edunya tridie no typhoid na edunya wanwe ye beku ntem ze ne untimi ndidi odi azazizu na ntimi ndidi a na ajaza ade na de wadu akire pa o na afeso no wa na wonam yo ya unya dimpa heba mixture ne bi na aboba eboa mo agia na so na ne makoyie pa etimi era ma na yafunya de ze ne stomach ulcer na yafunu wadidi awie emu sanfesa for wa na yeso obo no kra fon unya ne ma ya me pa choko na omogasto mixture no kojibi na bo na ajibi na babu sampa ne beboa na etimi esiesi opa na enuamba no omabo modern menso plus ye dia baba be remedy amamo na menso plus mixture no eno so gbo adwuma boso so bu nsa de ntiamu sa afen sheda mba yi eno so etuna infio no azeba kumienu bi sheda de dayo anu anzampa na naba obedwana kwa na kwadwohwe na ya waba behwe na we ya babere ahwo fe kama pa na so no infio ne mankoyi ma bebi ncheche enye de enya akono ebaza asunja be fie ntiko na kokoje ene no nature medics omundupa na ye dia barodo kwa also pemenso plus mixture na etimi aboa nupa no pebia vana maina ka ha ne amboa na onso nye bi na 024 8778 899 024 8778 899 Kumasi ya Mr. Yaba Mankesi ya Jeff Heba Nyana afi Pena Heba Aru wani chemo Ewo Cape Coast Takradi ya Nindia Heba Na afi Accra Netema Nana Bwachi Heba Na afi Ekus Pharmacy Ewa Shaima No Bomodeno wako Ako jubi na Bwana Bibia Adadiera Ma Roxy Eze no bezo koko ejuma Manone koko suya die Anaya professional footballer Na koko tna hobo bra Mepacho simple kra Roxy travels do ko Nyakwa kuram US no Yebebo aji work permit ama Cheche fono Yeremuko US mamoko kocha de na Canada enso no ne network no enso no na kunya doma se Canada UK yeremoko akwa na ese factory job no baby ti so Australia so no yeremoko nya no konso ye driver uye cleaner na security personnel wo Bahamas no ya bomode anya djuma de amanzo ne Ben Florida tu gbo djuma ne kakra na sika ne ba na wawra mo US na abo na wane ma dadi so era mana factory job no ebi nso ewo New Zealand no mo ze na Schengen visa na apa ze Germany France Holland Italy and afi Poland Nigeria mana taking so no nkofoko ye penanis amomako akako ejuma abeni anani no eye mayo na asiso no nyezo mfie na kwani mu kakra o akonya se robekọ abenia baby ti se Israel okono maami no wosika se tam eno oni ni kunu mu ye ejuma na ahwe ne ma no ede ma na akra na didie mo kwan obefa so ada ne ade ni nyina no Roxy e bomode na ndede wako akwa na ese factory job no baby ti se Kazakhstan Dubai Qatar enu Kuwait so ye roko footballers no ye boaji UK visa mama eno many agents bi wa alliance on be boana UK teams no wanya kwanya Roma Academy no na nema dediara mana pezo ko school of China Canada Belarus and afi so kra no ebi ti say USA omoboaji scholarship so no e de ma ba ne take it booking na any reservation omo yejuma na private jet rentals no ye bebo edu anim na ye se birth certificate ne passport assistant ni na ye na ya boana onso no etimi ye bi nti kuma so pomo a asafu VIP golden home touch abanso no obenya omo kuma so na ma ne 025 777 6730 025 777 6730 na afi Accra ene kaswa CP Opsi Methodist Church no unyo muntinkra number no 024 4613 237 024 4613 237 yambwa na ne mande di imperative me fama zene dodo na baba be shiam no drinks ni emienu pe mixer 5G and afi mizo fruit drinks e wo se no na oje na mixer no ebe mo ahode sonko na wagia won na so pa etimi abo adwuma ni nyina nsen haba aba ni nuaba ene ye de anti cafe bia enim na mizo fruit drinks no emu api unya bi na abo a onze mu ede ye papa ti fa number ye na aba badi to na aba na ne pefo ni nkomo 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 mo isi no monko kwaku share company limited na Easton number no ko for idia say net 0243 329 0243 329 na Kinju Enterprise so wani echemo nyenso ewo no motel so amia anso jibi ne number ne 054 483 392 054 4483 392 upebia 21st clinic monko mo overseas no manager Daniel Mubenyebi Mama Esther Watra Outcome Royal Ventures no na is a Watra Baptist University Buakwa OGB PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station Osi Charity Hospital Junction Ubejabi na Nasachi Enterprise Asafo Abincho VIP car park no unyabi abosu yemram na Champions League ne kakra ne results na ba anyway ne ye kakra na
NJ I'm happy for Mediama. On my this very sterling performance for them. Very, very sterling performance. 1-0, they are very difficult. So the core away game, very difficult, very tight, because of near my team because away. But in spite of that, team is defend their discipline, very organized team. Make sure someone remove for a lot of spaces to exploit. Above all, during the penalty, Adibakwa Ghana teams, Kotoko, Hazofoko, do you understand me? And then, the best penalty taker in visit, I think, then misses the penalty. So there's here. And no psychologically, difficult because aware on the players, how would the players after no. So master no I said, but it shows you say players don't have mental strength. Irrespective of the fact that captain MSC number 1 penalty that Mr. Crano, they will task na woman that they need to qualify at all costs and go to the next stage. Because stadium they will do a handover to them. 10,000 or seater stadium until they need here BBS almost Jiraswa a somebody calls a BS stadium now. Wonderful work for them. And Moses Parker there. A lot of things is put in place to make sure this victory. Abayano, you have no idea. He's done a great job there. Adoti Tenkatimu Bia and Captain Vizatinga himself. This about game we have it. The first leg game no apply. And the game we cry Senya Bianga so but the experience leadership quality is what have made them qualify. Now our next state game is difficult but it's surmountable. Kamakado said on my way performance has been poor. Okay, so we're trying to when Simba beat them 7 hours away. So there's here. They lost to Raja. So, in fact, our way this year, champions last year, the only point they had was against Vipers in Uganda. What is here? Home, so the only game, and Vipers are poor. Usha Group Namukoma. They only beat Vipers 2-0 at home. So, that's their biggest scoreline. Until America does the Omono, Sebi, the Omono lose at home to Raja 3-1. And then 1-0 against Simba. So, almost 2-0 there, they can get it if they have a good day, but away 0. Only a good away, so you should be guaranteed 3 because since 2016 consistently have been in the group stage. So we're making sure that you guarantee your 3 goals here and you are good to go there. So there's here. So Operation 3-0 they are very, very important that you guarantee here and you go there and you can manage because Horoya is higher than Remo. I was watching Remo.
Yes.
So you should know that Horoya will give you a tougher and a better competition, any serious character and quality of football compared to we. So it means that the next game, finally, medium or weeks, at least, medium or 2 weeks, worst case now 2 weeks.
Yes.
17th of September. 17th of September, because medium or match is Sunday. 7th of September is a lot of time for Tenkati to work on the team knows so reach the confidence of Bromo. So but from now to that time, there's a lot of work that will be done behind the scene to make sure we started discussion on the team itself. We'll look at the entire team and the weakness in the team, the Horoya team, no, and so Mediama will do a good job. Now the dreams, my idea.
Bishop penalty now about penalty no.
No Bishop on to me.
Any only an ajibo no you Bishop so you born
so direction there be when you go
sir
we channel penalty
well that's what we call a trailing leg Osheda you know what he was doing so I missed the man so the only thing is for now trailing leg
this was at 1-0
trailing leg but Bishop you see they have not to complain about is nothing. They're not to complain about it. Normal in this. If you want to play in Africa, you want to complain with referee, then Janeko Trevi. Part of the game. Dreams. Look, all competition like that, you have John Entry. He's been a champion of Ali.
Yes.
And playing a Confederation Cup final, Pyramid losing year 2019 to RS Berkane. He's played. So in terms of experience at this level, he has it done. Even 2 teams that players. And to almost player be on what it takes to play at this level. Where Confederation Cup, he's been to the finals. Even though they lost to RS Berkane. So about an DNA experience for her, there's nobody, not even a management member, nobody, or no, the best players, no, near somewhere expecting my situation. Near my Dinkra, he is the one that can tell them how to calm down, where psychologically, mentally, he knows. So they are fortunate to have a player of that caliber. Team no more. And I'm talking about play Ali and Pyramid. It doesn't come better.
Or experience
to help them, guide them. And no wonder, what a nice way to put the ice on the cake. Say on one as I said, the winning would have qualified them. Now they'll be playing FC Cologne of Sierra Leone. That is where they look. If a little effort, they'll be able to qualify.
Cologne
as compared to Media Madia.
Oh, okay.
So with a little effort and hard work, almost better than what they played, they can qualify.
Abonzo Mate, oh yeah, my man from you another friend for them fan chairman. I'm 17 years now. I'm 55 and also I'm sorry for half an hour. And run all be possible. My whole year now, sir. So when you are Jane, not your who Ogo, Yanko, Yanko, Unimle Yanko.
Sakwenya na mefa kwenye samicha kwa supporters. Andra sende yenyina name no kuma sande kwa kopie bi poso be 2 weeks ago ni. Omotrin tro mumpo mu andra na we say ni omukwa yeye no. Omoto ye nsafre supporters no mra be. Nti ndra ye koy. Omobo 2 friend dem na ata kwan. Ata tena se
na okoja.
Unimiro. Awde memra no so awde am say atenta no
outside che resort trase. Ogo we on the by the
nyabutra minyanwie me de minyanwie enti ye ndra no ye bo 2 friend match send dodo na etia na so mu hu ye no first match no ye ne Caris eye Opokunti Academy no abu na Caris no omunye yize sa omuni bo pa na kwede okay de me de nkwada mienu bi ko ho nti na omode ye ho omu training ground ho de meta ko ho pa na ukona so mo ball na me expect say o metnya aba bigina ya nimu si abo ball say no mu prove me wrong o mu ka dey dika to atena first half na twira masa afi na abaya kikiri boy first half ya ntimi ante second half na e ba na nyame ncha de zeze etimi beti ka na
I am show mo da mo na my boyfriend matches me
o da bi we kan ya show mo tu o bi bati first one your first one na mo boy no e maso ekunadu e baba ya Sports Stadium e no e 1-1 and na second match yene ayi omoa ewo ayi adekojachi ene ye ogum ya eshomu 2-1.
Oh okay.
Eshomu 2-1 intendra kanwa ya ne obobo 3. Yes 1 ya win 1 ene ya draw 2.
Oh okay.
Omunya bad kra abu na omuwo nkoda mienu bi omuwo Amas number 8 and 10 omuya nuafo 10 na epeni na 8 ne akora 8 nkwanpo de ndo onya red card one referee ko yi ya man red card sankoda mienu no maso omu ye brutal omu ye very good no omu keeper no so ya mask keeper one na da Milo no.
Oh okay.
Oh yeah I'm mask keeper na Opokunti akwara na na free ho na esambo 10 na ne Icones enso na be hia eno so we different team abu eno so de be hye so na ene de ye train na mu pa 5 na nya easy na wo hwe send ansu Henry Ansu kwadwo boy no Jesus Christ. Nyame a kire ne pass be pie kro bia.
Enrenzu.
Hey! Ball ni. E kwosra kekram. E ba for mark kekram. Masa, wo ka kire se your point am apun say masa na den wo say eh oko. So ka university na ba no.
Ah, tibi be
dia. Me be dia agro na me be we mock exams na me yi. Through one na me ba be exams. Wo ye e dia twa team bi.
O che be hia.
Den obotim mienu bi kire me say wo ye dia twa omo. Ah oh
o de aduana ne has eno ana eja aduana ne
ana ba ku bi no
ba ku we
ba ku bi na e wa ha no nti o mu de mo ntwe ma se be hia
o ja wate be hia ye bre na so ye ko ewie beba 3 to 4 na ya ba betra se na ya ke bia ato aso de amam ye da mase
wante unipeduase a